Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Like up the live, people, like up the live, people, like up the live. Rummy and big up yourself, miss you like and large up. D Welsh, big up yourself. All crew. Big up, larger, poof, larger. Shanty love in the building. Big up yourself. Lanoy. Rep Jersey. Shani Pepper, big up yourself, you know, Shani. Good as Shani. Larger. Yeah. Well, people, big up on yourself in the evening here. Greetings and respect and thing. Ragashanti live right just so 20 facts, I see you know. Me see a fact, people, me say me tired. Me not get no sleep, man. I mean, I tell you, I know if look a thing I go on, you know, but you know it go. We ain't a Gideon, you know. So we have to just do what we have to do, don't. So it things set, man. Facts, big up yourself, you know, ratings me charge you. Anyway, Pat, they big up yourself, Pat. Anyway, you're there. Me know say from your past music and your hear music, you're going to start dance because I just saw your turn. Are you name? Wait, that who this a come? The one somebody come. Me know, man, you know, when somebody come on so right early, you know, this is where I go on. General, man. Now, anywhere I go on.
Yeah, go on, G.
Yeah, man, you know, if I see somebody come out early on, I said to myself, you know, it's the boss that. And I need that.
You see, yesterday we cook rice and peas and chicken with cabbage, you know.
Why you ever come on the true and I tell lie, you know, and something?
No, sir, no. Raga, it a full of meat. It a full of meat. At the, what call you know, at the gravy left in the pot, so don't put me go fry, don't put me go boil with it now.
Hold on. Who you cook for? Who eat out of your pot?
No, me want itty. Brown rice.
Are you an itty? Eh?
Yes, man.
Are you an itty? All right. But like, how much rice and peas you cook? So enough you cook?
One pot of pressure cooker pot. Old pressure cooker pot.
Hold on there. You mean the pressure cooker them a big so?
No, man. That's a soup pot, that man.
Oh. But them not really, well, yeah, them do have small pressure cooker pot. Them like, but your pressure cooker pot, it's small?
Alright, I know if I go my giant and tell her, I can't really tell her no.
So, well, one time you eat rice and peas out of that time you eat out of about 3 times. You did have Sunday, Monday?
So, yes, man. Little.
And what kind of meat you say you cook with it?
Again, a chicken, you know, but put cabbage pan on top of it.
What you do? You cook down the cabbage with the chicken?
Yes, man.
You know that style, eh? Are you cook it? Well, you steam the cabbage separate and you cook it down with the chicken.
I cook it down with the chicken.
And you know, I said, enough of them women over here, so what you name, they probably are like one style and go on like say them better. You know, I said, them don't know that style, eh?
Alright, Raga, here go on now. Me make sure cut up a chicken. Make sure by pound off a chicken. And move on. Pound off a chicken and cut up it fine. Make sure put iron in the pot and me not fry no. Put in the iron and make sure make it catch good color fry. We can eat it, but me not fry a crispy.
So you fry it enough where you can eat it, but you don't fry it crispy. You don't fry it crispy, right? No. You just fry it, make it what you say, make it catch little color, correct?
We catch little color.
All right then. In other words, you brown it then with a little frying there. Yeah.
So when we done,
but when after you brown it, you never eat it. You never eat any. You never eat it.
No.
You so, sure? You never like eat one little piece or no?
No, because me make sure me intend to fry, me I stir it. Now stir it.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So, but so basically you take it out as soon as you catch a color.
No.
But not that you say you do when you did a fry, just for you catch a color.
No, sir. No, but
And you say you never fried crispy.
me not fry crispy.
Okay, and a crispy fry because you fried for stew it down.
Yes.
All right,
So,
and then what you do after?
Me use make sure me didn't have a little piece of ginger in the fridge. I'm Irish. I'm a carrot. I'm a thyme. I'm a scallion. I'm a pepper. I'm a season. I'm a pimento season.
Bust them at 90. Bust them at 90. I want them know about big cook. I want them know about big chef. Bust them at 90. Hey, you get CBS nervous, you know. CBS man, but go like she a big cook down there in Florida. She get nervous, you know, when she just hear you reload to something them in a 90.
I'm a scallion. I'm a onion. I'm a garlic. So I make sure store it with me hand. Yes. I may fry my chicken.
Hold on.
And I need it, and I need
Hold on. When you say you store it with your hand.
Yeah, stir it.
So what 90? What else you go store it with?
You can stir it with fork.
So that is why I ask you that question there, you know, because ordinarily people would say them just stir it, and people know say them mean say them a hold a spoon and a stir it. So when you say when you go to your way, if you say you stir it with your hand, what you mean?
Me, I want a bucket. I want a paint bucket, you know. A little paint bucket. A little paint bucket.
You mean when you season it up?
Yes.
No, okay, I'm confused. No, I understand. No, I think, remember, I know you done, I tell me, say you did, you fry it up and brown it, you know, so I think that's how we still there, you know. But you talk about seasoning it right now.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
And you store it with your hand. Okay,
yes.
All right, then. Me catch on back, we catch on back.
So I shake up, season them in a bucket, make up your bucket, and put in the oil pot.
And then you put it in the oil pot after you take off the seasoning them, don't
you? Shake it off.
Yeah,
shake
but when you say shake it off, you mean you don't shake it, but you scrape off some of the skeleton.
Yes,
you know the skeleton always a stick on and them something. So you scrape off skeleton and the time
so
and them something.
When we done again, the chicken, you see?
Yeah.
Me didn't have too much coconut juice in the rice and peas, so I'm short little now in the pot. Too much coconut juice in the make. I'm short little.
Yeah.
So I tell you, say, you know, you can use coconut juice and do shoot again when I do stew chicken. I'm sure getting coconut juice in the seasoning, you season up. But it is too little, so I'm sure you can move water on top of it.
Well, so when I want to go into the full details, I just your cooking and thing and whatever. But basically, you cook off your rice and peas and thing, and then you stew on the chicken. So what I want to know is now, at what point did they put the cabbage on the chicken?
All right, what point?
Hold on, a stew chicken, did I cook or brown stew chicken?
Stew chicken.
As far as you are concerned, brown stew chicken different from stew chicken?
A stew.
No, may I ask you, is there any difference there or the same thing for you?
Brown stew, like when you put brown in the night.
No, don't describe what it is. Just answer the question. Is brown stew chicken different from stew chicken, or for you is the same thing? What is it?
It's different.
It's different. Okay. So which one you did I do? Brown stew chicken or stew chicken?
Stew chicken.
Stew chicken. All right then. So when you did I do the stew chicken, at what point you put the cabbage in at the stew chicken?
As again, alright. But when put the seasoning in it, in the pot, because 5 minutes after.
Yeah, but when you put in the cabbage, 5 minutes after you put the seasoning in there.
Yes.
Because you mean when it pretty much done cook, right? And you put in the seasoning for the seasoning simmer down and soaking it at the end. 5 minutes after you put in the cabbage.
Yes.
So in other words, the cabbage, as we know, the cabbage not stay in a time, not look a long time in there, right? And then the cabbage steamed up. But you never bother season up a cabbage because the cabbage just catch the seasoning when in there already, don't
Exactly.
Okay, all right then. You see how I sound like me know like me can't cook, no?
I mean, I teach you know.
Oh, you mean? Then I must. Yeah, and you a teach me, 9 year teach. You make the world know, 9 year teach Raga for cook. 9 year teach Raga for cook. All right? And you a teach Raga for cook and thing like that. All right then. So, yeah, that style, Cheryl Bless don't know that style, you know, for steam down the cabbage with the chicken while the chicken are done cook and thing. You have any other food that we they were left, you know?
Raga, for tell you the truth, when me begin a straight chicken, every minute me go in a pot, I take out the rice, I eat it.
I eat it.
I
Okay.
eat out the rice pot.
Now, to your cooking good, man. That's why you know stop eat it.
Why, Raga? But me can't believe, if I that black case, any day I find a woman, me serve that woman there.
Why?
Me gonna name Mr. Agani in the bedroom.
Why? Because
Because me can't cook good.
oh
Because me a great lover.
no, but you see, that's why you will get more woman than me for them something there, you know, because to me can't cook no the woman them no want me. So them I want you woman nowadays, you know. Even though woman who cook for man and them something they can be for our local Jamaican thing. Nowadays, woman love man who can cook, you know, right? So you know, so big things are going for you right this, so you know. I can't tell you the truth, say you have couple woman right here now, I listen you and I say, but 90 sound good, man. You understand what I say?
Yes,
Because
man.
oh, you're a big cook or whatever, and it's so like you know, you do for sure. Yeah. This other thing there. Say so 90 when you look woman and you land them a reason for a while. After a while, if you just say to them, say, let me just cook your meal. Me not look no front fire or whatever. I just want to cook your meal. Come over and make me cook your meal. You know? I saw you if you do your thing, man. Right? And you see, from you just declare yourself, say you're not going to look no front from her. In other words, you know, want she to eat and then you are eat too. And whatever this and that. You know, some woman with receptive feet and say, let me see what go on. Him so nice, you know. I'm going to go watch him a cook food to make sure him can cook it good, man. Because you got skills. Now you never hear the term work with your strengths.
First me have that.
Yeah, well, it's about long time. But work with your strength, man. Don't try to be what you're not. Work with your strength while you improve your other. While you improve your other areas and when you're not strong, if you exploit your strength, emphasize your strength. You understand what I say?
Yeah, Raga, I don't know, you know, it's more open house today. I'm putting on glass, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. See there? Yeah, build your house. Well,
Yeah, man.
the other floor, the top floor. So,
Yeah,
Nine, big and serious though. We didn't pick up a little thing and I never really press upon it. You know, I forgive a whole heap of details and thing. But we pick it up, you know, and people ask me about it too. What you and your sister have?
my sister have nothing.
Yeah, your sister have nothing, Nine.
No.
So the last time we talked to you, going like say you're not in no dealings, you know
No,
what? You don't want nothing to do with dung steez. You don't even know what going dung this. So like you know, chat to her and all them something.
No. People. All right. I'm more polite. Hello, audience. I want to get something clear. My sister is social. We don't have nothing. We don't have no beef. No beef.
Oh.
You know, say sometimes teeth and tongue we meet, you know, but we don't have no friction, not at all.
You not get along?
Yes, man.
Okay. You did ever try look when your sister friend them?
That want. But they not hook me up on it.
Oh, your sister not boss you?
Nah, boss me. I want to click their wings, but they don't want me. They don't want me chop their line.
Well, so tell me something. You ever see your sister friend them look proper?
She, sometimes I see them boss come like I jump.
Wait, are you alone jump when you see them or something else jump too?
No, Baga, me no. If there's a jump boss, it's not pretty.
Okay. They never give your sister no target and say, yo, sis, go and give me the link for one of your friend them. No?
Well, me try, but to them me have a good heart. They say like, woman can use me, say they no bother.
Nah, in a year when I say to you, man, I'm gonna talk to you about that, man. You can't too woman like kind, man, but you can't too kind. Woman see that as weakness, man. Them see it as like say even if them go there with you, another woman I go idiot you out and clone you out, and a woman I like them some. The woman like man strong, you know, but you know for OD with the thing to a point where you come in like you're idiot. You understand what I say?
Like a little punk.
Yes, man. So woman like when you have a little edge to you, you know. Women like when you have a little kind of way they call it, you know, a self-assurance, you know, where you have a little rankingness to you. When I say rank, I mean literally rank. I mean like your face to you, no push over, you no walk over and thing. You can't stand up for yourself. Woman love them something and them. When a woman go open her leg and put a man between, he must deserve to go there, you know, as far as a woman stay, you know. She must comfortable with it. She don't want to have you between her leg and she like, yo, me really don't want to do this, you know, but yeah, you have some woman them do that time, boy, it sick them stomach because I compulsion make them mad with. But in general, when a woman want to put, I say, come between my legs, them or whatever, I shall get her back or whatever. She want to put a minimum standard for proud that a man they are going or something, you know. Yes, it's a man are going and me something right, you know, me like that boy, yeah. You understand? So you have to have that something in there. You can't be no look punk and all and sitting there. You see what I say?
Yeah,
woman I like them something there, man.
No,
Woman,
so,
yeah.
No, it's a soap Ragashanti program, man.
Yeah.
You have to be like a rock.
What?
Steel. You have to be like a rock or a steel.
That's
no,
right.
No soap, no sponge.
No sponge on here. All right,
No
that
sponge.
no work. Especially all them TamFam woman over here, right? I know we are juggling with me. Them not like no look idiot thing, you know. And I feel them speed that, you know. Here, sir. Jaja. All right. But you don't know, Nine is always a pleasure, you know. Always a pleasure when you open the show, you know. And big up your rice and peas and your chicken or your cook, you know.
Okay.
With your cabbage, you know.
You want to sing to the girl, them, I know, brother.
But you want to do what?
You want to sing to the girl, them, right?
Sing,
now.
but yeah, sing to them. Sing to them. Yeah. My cuss a bad word. Sing to them. Please sing to them.
Oh, we go now. Yeah. Girl, baby girl, you're on my mind so sweet. When I kiss you, next time I sing for you.
No, you're not sing for me. I sing for them. But what me I say is, here we go on. 90. You probably used to me by you know, say, me's a goofy youth, you know. Yes. Yeah. No care when a man wants to say about me, no care about me. Me's all about fun and, you know.
Yeah, and me too.
Yeah, I'm very playful. Very playful.
I'm a very jovial person. You know that.
All right, then. Seeing. So here what I'm going to say, I know. Me run, you know, you sing like a nursery rhyme song from Jamaica, you know, like, you know, sing like a nursery rhyme song or a Sunday school song or a folk song. Sing one of them songs with the ladies, them, yeah.
Okay, nice. You know, all right.
Yeah.
Okay, you know, me really know my music more, so.
Nah, man, just sing. You never go to Sunday school?
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Sunday school.
Yeah.
I am determined to hold on to the hand.
Well, I know the Sunday school Latino, but you can't sing that. That's a praise and worship. But go on, yo, sing it. Go on, sing. Yeah, go on. Start you over.
All right, that's how I'm saying. All right.
Yeah, I am determined. No, sing it, man, sing it.
All right, bless it, man. Bless it, sure. All right, you know.
Yeah.
All right, I go. Oh, I go, you know.
Take your time, man. Take it.
I feel good. I feel good, wonderful, good.
Every time I talk about Jesus, I feel good. I good. I feel good. What? Sing the 90, sing the man. Hallelujah. 90, I want me to man. After me, I feel it sitting here. You just go cut you off, man. I want me to man. You just bring back some memories. I remember that big tune, the 90. Yeah, 90, you laugh off. 90, as we say, like we are picking, man, I play. Man, I play. 90, you clown me up, man. Man, I play with you. Yeah. See that. Then see the 90, you clown me up, man. 90, go back in our another tune. You know what the tune them in a night.
Blessed to hold me on for a many long time. I meant to go, me no gonna make me go. No one sees.
No. Sing back the one where you did that sing. I am determined. And I am
I
determined.
am determined to hold on to the hand.
And
Jesus
Jesus,
is with me.
when him I can depend. And I know
and salvation, and Jesus in my
my
soul.
soul. I am determined to
to get
hold
what woman in
on.
my life.
All right, then, 90. Big up yourself, you know.
One
You are
love.
the vibe master.
Yes.
One love, my general. Blessings and respect. Here, sir.
Out and
Man
bad.
thing. Oh, 190 people don't know that here. Real G9 thing. Article Jamaican man that, you know. You understand what I say? Boss in I Sydney, you know. All right. My mama then I went the whole of them. I went the whole of. Hello. 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 Well, me I tell you. Missionary Evelyn. Missionary Evelyn. She stop moving out. She hear her name. She not move now. And we don't hear you move already, you know. Listen, you try to stay quiet and it make it obvious. You are there. We're hearing you. You're there. You don't want to say nothing. You hear there. We hear sound that come out of you. So wait, you're going to stay there and not say nothing? Yes, we hear. We hear one little sound there. All right, so you do? Good evening. Just tell her good evening and then go ahead do what you do. Good evening, all right? Missionary Evelyn, we don't see your name already and we know say you're dead. We all see your picture and everything. A week that you have on or you real here? I teach you mute. More you coward, man. Jah know you're coward, man. Yeah. We can't believe she no answer, you know. She go around the thing, yo. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hey Raga, how you doing?
There I know, yes.
Was there any specific theme today? Or topic?
No yet. Me not put it out there yet, you know. But if you have a mix-up.
Man, we'll leave
Remember,
a
you
mix
can
up.
call with anything, you know. So just, you know, whatever you share, just share, you know.
Alright, so I did want check the screen the scene before I actually go ahead, but I have a poem I can share with you.
A poem.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's hear it.
Alright, so the title of this one is called 3Fs.
Hold on. It long?
No, it don't long.
Okay, go on.
I promise you just two things in it, not expletives.
No, I'm sure. So talk what you have to.
Wonderful. So as I say it name, 3Fs.
Yeah, run it.
3Fs I have to offer. 3Fs I have to give. The fundamentals to whatever relationship, situationship, whatever the F this is. What do I bring to the table? Does it have to be on the table? I can navigate a map of Australia as I go down under. Metaphorically, I just blatantly said that I give 3Fs and an exceptional head my brain. It's not like the average Jane. I'll keep you on your toes. Better yet, I'll keep your toes curlable because 3Fs is all I know how to do. But seriously, let me get from under the table and talk to you without being so rude. The first F, I want to feed you. So I hope you like food. And as my king, allow me to nourish not just your stomach, but your body, mind, and soul. I'll fill those empty spaces and I'll make you feel whole. But if you feel to feast from my feminine fold, feel free because I chose you specifically. You make me wet pacifically. Second F is how much I love to focus on pleasing and teasing you with words. I'll take diction all night as we play Scrabble like nerds. Last F I'll give before I'm done
Yeah.
is Raga. I believe every man deserves his freedom. So I never nag. I'm usually too busy.
Yeah.
And I'm still trying to figure out if this is confidence or I'm just cocky. Because after the first F, man just give up. Because I fuck, I suck, and I shut the fuck up. Genuine desire.
But the poem done. The poem done. The poem done. Why? Why? No, sir.
I need to An Blenda time.
No. No, John, when I poem the bad like 10 fireside, you know. I like it. No, man, I poem that go on with beer something, man. That go on with that. When you say you're wet pacifically, I will heap of wet that, you know, like Pacific Ocean wet. Bomba, it just full of all kind of little sitting, you know. You understand? Hey, listen. So when you say the man feed off of your feminine fold,
Feel free.
feel free, feed off of your feminine fold,
That is it.
Yeah, and you give man freedom, you give him space to be himself, though. Him have to get that F there too, don't you understand? And you feed him, so you feed him, and you give him freedom. And the first one was what again?
The first one was feed. The second one is focus.
Focus. Now, I have to say that one. The second one is focus, right? And that done. Yeah.
I have another one called the second F if you want me to elaborate on the second F.
Yes, please. Yes.
All right, let me just bring it up. Give me a
Yeah.
second.
You know, you can't bring it up, man. Make it come up.
Right.
Aren't we? We're playing with words here, aren't we?
Yes. By the way, Raga, I have live poetry in Kingston every second Wednesday.
Oh, all right. We're in Kingston.
It's at Deluxe Restaurant and Lounge, which is right across from JDF.
Oh, I know that place there. Yeah, I know about that. So.
Yeah, man. So that is it. So the next.
Are you own that place there? You just go over there, go do your thing.
No, we have a poetry show over there.
Okay. That place is still a go on. Nothing ever did there when we grew up in and find that place, the bus, saying no clothes, something always a go on.
Always.
Somebody leave, somebody, So enough soldier go over there too, no?
It was Giwi, formerly Giwi.
Yeah, man. Then my general bossy boy fly, them used to host over there too and them something there, whatever. But now I say, some place open and then them closed down and a place that from it start, me have different owners and things, but it just a galang so. That'd be a good location, bottom of time Red come to and thing and everything, but a crossroad around the corner, South Camp Road. So it's a strategically nice place to have a business and thing. But so what you say everywhere when you did it, everywhere what?
Every second Wednesday.
All right, yes, man. Your poetry them are going. So make we hear your next one,
All right, so the second F was just to elaborate on that one.
Yeah.
So, as much as I pride myself with good diction, I'm sure you saw subliminal depiction. Play Scrabble all night like nerds. I can, but I'd rather be placed on tiles, rather placing tiles on the words, but I still can. Be the lady you seek, get my interest peak and unleash this cerebral freak. On my knees I kneel, satisfy your needs, I'll swallow your seeds. I'm here to give release, just here to please. I'll meet you at the door wearing nothing but a smile. Search for innocence, when found, defile. No mind games, I'll rather mind fuck, and if you stimulate me mental, then you strike luck. A sapiosexual by definition, so it starts in the head. And some kind of connection to get in my bed. So see, I love words, but I never like them being put in my mouth. But for you, I could never get the D out. The scary truth is, I probably love this F just as much as you. And there's nothing vanilla about the things I do. While I can be a lady like Bridgerton, I still can get dirty and nasty like Riverton. Well,
Sorry. Go on.
while I can be a lady like Bridgerton,
Yeah.
I still can get nasty and dirty like Riverton. Well,
Hell yeah.
not the smell, but you get me, right?
Yeah. No, we know.
So treat me like your big toe and bang me on every furniture in our home, and then treat me like the runner on your dresser and spread me between the cologne and the comb. Sir, if you roll over 6 times, I'll be ready 8. No, you're a bachelor, you'll matriculate. Trust me, I can provide wetness for all season, and I have all 69 reasons for you to start thinking about taking up this offer. Because I just said one F. I have 2 other. Now, feeding and freedom are whole different things and a whole new added benefits they bring. But just to remind you, before you sign up, I fuck, I suck, and I shut the fuck up.
God protect her, God protect her. I just ask you, put your hand on her, protect her, bless her. She's a real one. Listen to me, man. You know, say when you start and them thing and whatever, because you know you have a look of calmness about you, you know. So when you start or whatever, you know, the man was just like, oh, poem. Because anytime anybody come and say, Raga, I want a topic today. The caller, then nothing ever go on for them. Any caller you hear come and whatever, them just call for no reason. You know, anytime you hear them say, Raga, what the topic today? I want to talk about today. Them don't have anything for say. But me just play along because, you know, you're being polite or whatever. So, but them ever flop. So you see where you start and you come and you say, what do I want today? Whatever, this and that. But obviously you were doing it out of respect to say, yeah, man, I really want to come in the poetry and go disrespect you if you're already there on something, you know? And that's so you there. But in my mind, I'm like, Lord Jesus, and things a good thing 90 the talk before her, you know, because she obviously not nothing to say. And then look where you come do to her right here now. Look where you come do to her with them 2 poem there and all them sitting there now. You know, say you're a wicked do it. I'm a shabba with there now, you know. No, sir, but like the poem.
Give me a chance. For you mentioned that I came on so calm.
Yeah.
I should have said, this is the calm before the storm.
Before the storm, yeah. No.
You should see me at hurricane.
Yeah.
I'll take pride, no shame from you not remembering my name when you press foreplay on my head game. What do you think I came for? Your soul of course. You ignored all flash flood warnings from ODPEM. Now my legs are OPEN because the weather forecast predicted several inches tonight. So whether it's dark or candlelight, a lockdown I inform. Let's see if you can ride out this storm.
Ooh.
But what about safety precautions? I really hope you are prepared. Proper preparation prevents poor performance, so beware. Because I can't fake the rain, but I do grant discretion. So kindly bring your sadness to the beach and call that shit a tropical depression. Yes, we can fuck with conditions. Because if me give the pussy undercover, it's not a fuck, it's a fupa. And for you, sir, I'll go slow and calm, like scripture 107 of Psalms. Relax and see through the stillness in my eyes as you slip into this needle eye. Let my voice caress your eardrum as you bask in this moment of serenity.
Yeah.
Full access to this amenity. No fear of walls collapsing, unaware of time elapsing. It wasn't a sprint, let's put the last lap in when draws and zinc fly next door. We've damaged the bed, Next, floor. Make space so my pride when my dash way. This is a landslide. Just make sure you know wash way. Genuine desire.
Genuine desire. People, the follow right now, the follow right now, and thing and whatever, and thing, follow right now. Listen, man, you know, and you have some people who, they write and stuff, and they kind of focus, they get so focused on rhyming and construction and whatever that they lose the whole thing about, no, just speak a truth and honest and come with whatever imagery, you can say what you're saying a different way. And the rhyme will come, the construction will come, because your delivery, you know, do this is a ta. Your delivery is like your reason. You just talk. It's conversational and thing. And at the same time, the syntax is there, the construction is there, whatever. And then the imagery is there. And then the other thing too, I mean, T.S. Eliot, whoever you do great poetry or whatever, if it's not relevant to me and if we can't connect with it and whatever, fine. But that is what art is. It's not meant to be for everybody. It's what you get from it when you see it or you hear it or whatever. So I like your poem them in the sense that they're accessible, they're relevant, they're immediately recognizable, and they touch familiar spots in you in a different way. Make you like, oh, wow. I don't know what you say, but the way you do, the way you do it and things like that, it's just beautiful. And so I just want you to know that you are indeed quite talented, and obviously you enjoy what you do, and that is sexy, right? So keep doing you. And I wish you all the best with your poetry. And if I'm ever in Jamaica, and I know, you say, it's a Wednesday evening, you say over there, upon the side, right?
Every second Wednesday.
Every second Wednesday. Yeah, man, that roll through and come listen, man. I love them something, man. As long as I can feel something from it and be entertained by it and be stimulated or provoked by it and things like that and whatever, So big up yourself, man. And I see you know again, genuine. Oh, a J-E-H. Genuine desire. Big up yourself, man, and just go and shell out your things, same way. Here on behalf of the TamFam, who I know them love you and love what you do and think. Big up yourself, all right?
Thank you so much. I'm going to make sure look out for the live again. I've been wanting to jump on it for a while now. So
yeah, you've been wanting to jump on it for a while, don't you?
Yeah, when I see it on the FY, I'm just look on it or whatever.
Yeah.
But if you're in a one conversation, Managa can just run in with that.
Yeah. See, evoking belonging there. She's in London. She said she love what you do. She love your thing. You understand? Big up yourself.
I can just tell you one little story before I leave, because I the story too.
Yeah.
So we get a short one before I leave.
All right. Yeah, man.
This is an excerpt from my diary.
Yeah.
Dear diary, here we go again. But within these pages, I bear no shame. It started a normal day, nothing too special, nothing to consider journal in dress, heels, jacket, ready for corporate, light makeup, perfume, fresh breath. I grabbed my keys and bag, then out the door I went, calculating how the time on my journey would be spent. It was almost 7, a nice cool morning. A day of productivity was dawning. While driving, I got a video call, thus this entry on pages empty from my diary. A nice convo between 2 old fire sticks. And of course, adhering to the speed limits. Now the road was straight, but the convo went downhill, swerved in the wrong directions from the beans that were spilled. In a different country, and on his second shift in prison, it seems that more than the government baton was risen. I tried to take control and grab hold of the steering wheel, trying hard just to shake the feel, highlighting that my first meeting was set for 8:30, but clearly this wasn't up for debate. Listen, I don't know her, but me and of you were late because my hormones no longer regulate when he said, I understand your dominance in business, but here, you don't tell me what to do. I didn't just fall in line. I joined the fucking queue. He said, he meant, he commanded. I then pulled over so I could be reprimanded. He pointed to his earphone, indicating he was alone and he alone could hear me moan. The thong covering my bald kitty became moist at the instructions voiced. He said, put your fingers in it. Spread your lips. Let me see her drooling until she drips. My favorite type of sexy. Fucking poetic. So, on Mandela Highway, I wasn't going to play Winnie. I had no patience to wait. In me got warmer than a chimney. My dress became a mini. Poor Winnie. She stayed patient for her prison sentence to lift. I wasn't waiting for him to finish his shift, so I shift gears to park, and unlike Rosa Parks, I took the back seat and fucked myself. Absent-mindedly, but intentionally. Pretty pink thong made of lace slipped to the side and my fingers replace, massaging my clit with happy juices. He's so deliberate with the words he chooses. He said, your fingertips, covered in your honeydew mist, let me see you lick your flavors while I stroke my dick. Speaking my language, a native named Emily, I submitted nastily, naturally. You clean the mess you make, right? So I licked the icing off my cake. Now the camera started to shake. He was experiencing a girthquake. But back to my end. 2 fingers in, 2 legs spread wide. With the windows fogged, I couldn't see outside. I explode so much I could drown Michael Phelps. Knock, knock, knock. The patrol officer asking if I need help. Genuine desire. Thank you.
All right, big up yourself, big up yourself. Well, quick question before you go. Mandela Highway was mentioned. Was this based on a true story?
All my poems have some truth to it.
Don't say nothing no more. All right, big up yourself here. Big up yourself. All right, blessings, man. Cool. Yeah, I'm on the body though. Yeah. No, the last one the body, And that man telling you, yeah, to allow no man out there and thing and who want woman to be freaky and all them something like that. Listen to me, You see, if you listen to that poem there, the last one there, you see how the man a flow and the confidence when the man a flow with her and whatever. I know him say when him tell her what him want she for do and perhaps, how him say it and thing. Freakiness in every woman, And just you as a man have to know how to get her, to bring it out. And just you have to know how to make she feel safe and secure. To know so she can just let loose with you. And sometimes that is established immediately. Sometimes 2 people meet and it's just fireworks. It just happens. But at other times, it requires a look of patience, Yeah, it requires a look of patience, That's it. A freakiness in every woman, man. Every woman. I care when the woman say. And them teams and them would have never do nothing. You see if you know if you play a card, right? Them look forward for be freaky with you every time. And every time them done freaky with you. And when you're done, them beg God forgiveness. But them a come right back and do it.
Mixup and Blenda.
Yeah. They can't own them when them do them. I can't believe me do them. I can't believe me make me do them something. I not do it again. Jesus God, no matter how that shame on me, auntie. And I come right back. Right? I just you as a man have to know for govern your thing, man. And sometimes someone no force too much, man, and have to take time, Build up a thing. Yeah, and broke her out, man. Broke her out. Make she go on with a bag of something she never know. You understand? And then now, just know this, I just particularly want to say this to the Jamaican people, You see, when you have somebody do this something to them, I wanna argue something come up, I wanna argue, don't blood clot, bring it up and thing and what that. I say, that's something that with the Jamaican, man. I say, I never see something I hate so yet. Right? When I'm not doing anything private and having a disagreement and thing that out of bound, I care what, I bring it up on a tab, but you do this to me and me do that and whatever and thing like that. And no disrespect men, me not excuse the woman them too, but if a woman do all something like that and whatever, yeah, you have a right for can say, go say back if she gone this or whatever, because you have some woman to them know some man a man, and them not gonna say something, them feel so that a green light for them, say anything them want, say, because them know say you're not gonna respond. But walk it out if you can walk it out, man. But Jamaican people, may I tell you, me say, I love Jamaican, I love Jamaican, but there's one thing that just really piss me off for doing enough time. Jamaican, when I argue, I start bring up what I do in a bedroom before when I did good. Like, I pick me some of them there, right? Not even on a high school picnic one, so. Like I see someone to claim someone a big man and big man, and soon as you do this to me, you ask me out and think about you know, stop, no go man. And someone thinks that is a flex. Make you look like he idiot, you know. Something say Jamaicans don't do all the while. No, again, whatever. But anyway, back to it thing. You know. I love our poetry, them. I love our poem, them, you know. Poem them nice, you know. Of course, there's a, you know, it's about sexuality, indeed. But if you're listening, you know, she have that, you know, because at some point, you know, she have that direct type of thing there. But you know, the wordsmithing, when she go on with that thing like that, that kind of playful intellectualism there, you know. You know, she's a sapiosexual, you know, because she love an intelligent person. You know, she love, you know, somebody who have a certain amount of brilliance, you know, kind of, in a way, you know, just flat on, you know, just flat on nothing else, no dead. So, you know, you have meat by your bones, man. Yeah, you're interesting, you're mysterious in some ways, you're playful, you know. And me telling all the while, you know, them two things, they make anything special, you know, whether your job, whether your work, whether, you see, imagination and creativity. Imagination and creativity, they differentiate anything. So to be human, you know, is to have common narratives, right? Human being have all kind of similarities, you know? But what sets apart human being from other human being? It's imagination and creativity. So Jamaicans are really good at this, by the way, you know, y'all are really good at it. It's like, for example, say a certain thing I wear now, you know? A certain thing in a style, you know? Like them say, a Bobby Sacks I wear, you remember back in the day, a matey bag I wear, some hairstyle I wear, the Tony Braxton hairstyle I wear, a bangs I wear. The way Jamaicans are is like, okay, this around the place now, so this way I do. But Jamaicans are always looking a way if they say, oh, I'm gonna make my one different. It's you know, it's not Jamaican alone, you know. I just say Jamaican because we grew up with it, right? Because yeah, people just follow, you know, and just flat follow, right? But you always hear a Jamaican that say something like, no, I want one, but I don't want that because everybody are weird. I don't want what everybody are weird. That's quite common. And what that person is saying is, I want my one kind of different. So them I follow the fashion, you know. But, you know, them I bring a look, them want to bring them look a twist to it. It's the same thing in business. It's the same thing in hosting a talk show. Anything you do, right? Right? When me host talk show, me bring a little difference to it. What about people I do live? What about people I do talk show from Dine Kingdom come, me I do talk show at Jamaica, whatever. Right? But you know, me bring one little something where me have my set of people like, yeah, a raga. That's raga. Raga bring theme little something. When me a teach, when me a lecture, them they love my class, them are you know, my class, them ever full, you know. Ever full and whatever. Because you know, everybody, well, if a teacher there, but me I bring something different in the realm of imagination and creativity, you know. And so it is with her poems. There are lots of poets out there or whatever. But she just bring that little extra little fear thing, you know, in terms of stimulate your imagination and the creative ways in which you play with the words, the man thing, and you know, the double entendre, you know, say one thing but it means something else or whatever and things like that, you know. It's really nice, you know, really nice. People, you know, I'm gonna sleep last night, you know. I almost not do the show today, you know, right? I tell you straight up, you know, my little boy come from Florida same day. I wait my whole week for the Thanksgiving week this week, you know. And me can't afford them New York money with them a charge for picnic stay or whatever, you know. So I tell my other picnic them mother, say, yeah, hear me, this week, you drop them off in the morning when you go work, I'll keep I'll keep them and you pick them up in the evening. So for the whole of this week, I have 3 of them with me, right? Which I love, by the way. But that brings with it a set of dynamics so I not get in or whatever. But, you know, you have a whole heap on my plate, man, and all kind of look at something. So I say, General, I'm tired of them, and think say, we can't do a show today, you know? And I come back and some stress there for my man. That manageable stress, you know, a gangster, you know, but stuff where you just have to deal with, you know? Work-related thing to and whatever, and they, you know, they putting them and them want them attention, and they, you know, and it's like, Daddy, what's up? You're not playing today? Whatever type of thing, you know? So I ain't gonna do it, sure. And me say, I know, but remember, you know, discipline. Discipline is not doing the right thing when it is convenient for you to do the right thing. Discipline is a critical ingredient for success in anything. But discipline, to this day, I'm convinced that Mike Tyson is one of the most brilliant people out there. You know? If you ever hear that man, if you ever sit down and reason with that man, the man deep, you know. Mike Tyson deep, you know. You know, people associate this kind of brute force thing. If you ever hear him deep, man. And him same thing, them simple and direct. Him actually remind me of Malcolm X, you know. But Mike Tyson said, them interview him one time, you know. And him say, so you never afraid it when you are going a fight? And him said, no, sir, I'm not afraid for the fight. And I fight me afraid of. Him say, you know what I'm afraid of? I'm afraid of the practice, the training. So the interviewer said, wait, but the training, you know, whatever this and that. Him said, no, man, the training, that whatever. That are the rough part, you know. And him said, the challenge there in the training is to be disciplined. Because being disciplined is getting up and doing what you're supposed to do to the fullest and the best of your ability when you 100% feel like, say, I don't want to do it today. That's what Mike Tyson said. Discipline is doing what you know you're supposed to do when you don't feel like doing it at all. And that is an essential ingredient that sets apart some people from others and makes some people more successful than others. That kind of relentless fervor where you're like, no care where I go through, and then you know, so this thing I need to get done, boom, and you get at it. So that them look at something that I have to remind myself more time, you know. So today now, when I say John, you know, say, me seriously, I'm literally not sleep last night, you know, me I do some work, me I do, and, you know, me I one of them people that once me at it and thing, and me just can't stop. No, me can't stop, you know, but me just have to keep going. Worse if it's a problem, me have to solve and whatever, me just at it, and before you know it is morning, you know. And so I was exhausted today, and then I have to work right through the day. So I was just like, yo, take a break, you know? Because sometimes you have to do that when you're tired, you know, just take a break. And then something just said, go do the show, man. Go do the show. Yeah, and go do the show. And that's what I tell my son. You know, when I do the show, I don't want him hear certain things, you know? Zion is here, but the other two gone up at their mother, you know? So Zion come from Florida and stay with me. So I say, man, do the show. But him say, but daddy, you said you're tired and you're going to rest. And I say, yeah, but I got to be disciplined, you know? And see, we come here and we get the little blessing with them little poetry and thing, you know, 94 word and thing and whatever. And the show worthwhile already, don't? Yeah, the show worthwhile already. We give thanks, you see it? Yeah, man. So we just want to big up genuine desire for our poems and thing, you know, we give thanks. And without further ado, too, I want to thank the people who turn on for my little general birthday party Saturday night. Yeah, man, it did nice, you know. DJ Chris Cross birthday party. Big up. Cheryl bless the whole crew. And people may have something for telling them what happened at the party, but before me tell them, I just want to big up everybody. Attitude. I forgot fair, I couldn't know say attitude did then, you know, man, big up everybody. Attitude did in that party, you know, man. I mean, I say respect to you general, you know, kind of, you know, boss, I listen to me show long time, you know, years, you know, foundation, you know, man. You understand? Attitude, man, I keep it 100 with you, you know. Yeah, one of them people, like, you meet, you know, and you're like, you're cool and I know your sound. may I tell you, yeah. Me meet the eye and the eye just have a little balance and humbleness and you just easy and you just yo, you're cool and I know your sound, G. Trust me. You're cool and I know your sound. So big up yourself, you know. So I just want to say enough respect to everybody who roll out and thing. All right, Claudette, large up and thing, Eda, me see you, and all like people and moody there and thing and whatever. And people, me just want to say something. And what I'm about to say, me want to know. All right, some people who are there, they're going to say, well, that are true. But there's some things I'm about to say now. Some people are going to want to say, are not true. Watch ya. Christina about no bother with it, Raga. I don't even say nothing. Me not say nothing yet. I want to well, on the TikTok what I do, I look at something else. People, me not say nothing yet, and me not say nothing yet. Me not say nothing yet, and somebody from the ANC a ball out. Mark Thompson. Well, Andy, I would that in the chat. Which Mark Thompson? A Canada Mark Thompson, are you that or no you? Because, you know, Mark Thompson is, you know, somebody else can. A Mark Thompson that from Canada and a Mark Thompson that from Canada. Anyway. So what I'm about to say, you see it? Me not say nothing yet, you know? And somebody from the ANC start ball out and thing and whatever. You understand what I say? All right. Let me talk. So at one point, you know, people must stop back and me and say, all right, let me see how much SDC there and how many ANC there, right? All right. Me start check the SDC, spray them crew, right? Navlet, Tall Her, Sham, Bella, Marsha Prashad, 5 that, you know. Probably I'm more than that, 5 me gone. So I say, all right, let me check the ANC them, you know. And when me look, one dege ANC there, you know. And she did we in our little corner, each up in our little corner, because I notice me see her over in that corner, you know. So when I go over, I go say, hello, I notice she a tremble. You understand? So I say, Munchie, how I go on? And I notice her voice low, you know. The voice, when I say the voice low. And I say, but Munchie, I know you this man. I know Munchie, I know man. Right? Me don't know Munchie voice low and whatever. And when me tell us a voice just low, you know, low, and girl, humble, you know, man. Girl, humble, no big chat. No, tough ANC. At no point me hear the ANC line. At no point, me never hear for 1 second, me not hear, run up and come get done up. Well, see her in the chat there. So me not hear nothing when me tell her, say, girl, humble like she in a embassy line at Jamaica, a Jamaican US embassy, I go for visa, you know, girl, humble, you know, manageable, you know, like she go Sunday school every Sunday and raising the Lord and anointed with the Holy Trinity and the whole thing and whatever, girl, humble, right? Me a chat about girl full of big chat when she dey on the internet. No. We a talk about girl we call the show and be a badness. Right? When girl they run Java, nothing about like she, you know, bullbuck and dopey conqueror, as we say in Jamaica. You understand? So I know what this a good, just humbling a man. Hi, Raga. So yeah, man. I know. Hi. Are you okay? You need anything? I said, no, I don't need nothing. What you mean if I need nothing? Me look like me handicap or nothing. No, I just say if you need anything, I'll get it. I said, no, me nervous, girl, nervous, you know. You understand? So, you know, she said, Raga, lie, you see. So, you know what I said? When she see the bag of SDC, you know, man. You understand? And the SDC, them are going, you know. And now, like, go get a new boot too, you know. Navlet get one new boot so come way up here so you understand. And Navlet wear the new boot with a little tight shorts and when I say I want confident outfit Navlet in there, you know. Navlet just a walk around with a red boot so you know Navlet just up in the middle of the dance floor with a red boot, you know. Bella take it to the floor, tell her who we think so always when I tell me to tell her, just go to the front and bend over and start give them some wine. So, oh, SDC start going. I look, Mr. Sham walk out with her daughter and think and own the floor. When I look over upon the NC girl, she in her corner, tremble, and couldn't come out. I must decide, so she not. Remember, I know the dance floor there saying that she over there saying, remember, I know she represent for ANC, you know. And SDC take it floor and we own the floor, you know, we just go on with ourselves, you know. And she must decide, so she not leaving the corner. Then I know, so she didn't have to leave the corner. Why? How she end up leave the corner? Must she 2 times she leave the corner. Oh. When she did that, like the DJ place there, so the floor there, so she over the corner, but the bathroom over there, so. So the only time she go up on the floor is when she did one pee-pee. So if piss never take her, nobody else wanna see her or nothing or whatever. And over in the corner, trembling, you know. Oh God, man. You know when orange leaf are trembling early morning, Jew and whatever, you see kind of wet with her. So she stay over there and thing, you know, in our borrow dress, but the dress she look good for her, you know. I mean, I lie. She know for borrow clothes and thing because we have to big her up for that. Yeah, some people borrow clothes and I know for Fox, Tony Fox. Fox don't know for borrow clothes, you know. Cause when you have borrow clothes, it's an art, you know. And Fox don't know for borrow things, but for sit down pan her and stay right pan her. So, my big her for that, cause she know for borrow clothes. Cause the borrow dress, so she know and bad red and black dress, so she borrow and thing. And I tell her, sit down pan her, man, I lie. So that me give her real things that she know how for borrow clothes. Cause the borrow dress did a go on. Yeah, the borrow dress tuck pan her, me I tell you, proper. You understand? We Jamaican, when something fit you good, and it got beyond fit you, but it's like it create a new persona there to be admired and think. Jamaicans say, no, John, with the outfit and he sit down for you know, I saw it. I mean, I like, The barra dress, that cost be a bad word pan her. They're going with a woolly pa something. Yeah, the barra dress, they like it. The barra dress, they like it very articulate in a parliament and thing like that. Yeah, and things. So the barra dress did that go on. You understand? But may I tell you, if I never for she one piece 2 times out of the night, we wouldn't see her much. Should have turn in I can over there, whatever, you know. Yeah, a sudden turn. Internet bad girl them. Yes, when I say TikTok bad girl them, you understand? And when you buck them and thing, then nothing no more humble like them. Them humble like them in a US embassy line in Jamaica and thing. Well behaved and humble and thing like that. So I just want to say big up the SDC. Because when they get a win, when they never did even want, when they never did a pre. Right? When they get a win, when they never did even a work for, they just be on themselves and come out and I support DJ Chris Cross and whatever and thing. And as bad as things is do, me they are beat. Me they are beat her, but I want big her up because she can represent for the ANC them. And she represent good in her barra dress, you understand? Yeah, her ear look good and everything and whatever. Yeah, man, girl, did I hold it and thing, you understand? So she hold a little standard up there and thing like that. Yeah, man, sir? So big up yourself in a munchie. Okay, because you hold it for your crew. At least somebody did it. Cause it would have looked bad if no ANC never did it. It would have looked, oh God, it would have looked really, really bad. We see SDC come out in such a force and not even one ANC did it. So Munchie, big up yourself, you know, cause you hold it for your girls, them, you know. You hold it for your crew, you know. Okay, may I tell you, man, and you go out there and you did a tremble and you never leave, right? You catch your afraid, you catch your coward. You did a tremble like orange leaf in a early morning, Jew out of Monique and thing, and you never leave and you hold it in a Munchie. You understand? So I have to give thanks to you for your crew. Your crew for no, say them, oh, all right. Munchie say, yep, we got each other. Hey, God. Not Kibi. Run up and come get done up. Never hear nothing like that yet, you know, the whole night, I think, you know. Yeah, SDC owned the night, right? Watch out. And I said, there's no SDC without ANC. Ain't that the truth, though? You know what I tell you, say? Day need night, you know. If night not about day not exist, you know, day is nothing, you know. You only appreciate day because night. People who live in winter states, you ever notice that every spring, after winter, whatever, when you have a nice day, after like you have a rough winter, you have a nice day, people don't need that. Oh my God, it's nice out. Come on, let's do something. It's nice out. Let's do it. Like white people, you know, them different with that something that do, you know. Well, them look a bit different, really. You know, them will go out and play football in the snow and all this shit, you know, what them do. They're kind of crazy. But what I say is, you ever notice that people like the same thing happen every year, and every year them do the same thing. No, it's nice out. It's so nice out. We got to go do something. No, I'm going so and so because the day it's a nice day. But that nice day, you know, it is only nice because the other day them never nice. And that is one of the, man, always I tell you, that's one of the reality of life we have to appreciate. Sometimes on a rough days can be a little bit overwhelming and I just think, so why this happened to me and why such and whatever. But the whole purpose of having a purpose in living is that a purpose. The human beings can't exist without purpose, you know. The one them who exist without purpose, them coming like a rudderless ship. Them not know where I go. Them just backboard, right? But this whole thing about purpose, you know, as where we Jamaicans say, oh, him not nothing to live for. Oh, him can't, you have something to live for. That is saying purpose. And you work towards your purpose. Purpose cannot exist, you know, without it being related to something that you don't want. Right? So if your purpose in life is to buy a house and whatever, you see the person who don't know what it is for own a house, or who grew up certain way, or sleep in a bed with 4 or 5 people or upon the floor or whatever, this and that. And because them go through that, you know, that make the house purpose have a particular weight and gravity. You understand? But somebody else who never have them worries and stress and whatever, them couldn't care less and whatever, because that is not them purpose, because them never have the negative for related to know for say me I pursue that thing. Yeah. So when I go through a tribulation again, I remind you just hold it, man. Between me and no boy, I go through something too, but yeah, we keep a smile on my face, though. And we go through, though. Yeah. So it things set, man. And so when you come up on the other side, I go look back and say, yeah, this good now, but this good because we know what it is. It be bad. Good need bad. Bad need good. SDC need ANC. ANC need SDC. One time I interview Bounty, about him and the ongoing war with him and Beanie and whatever, Now one drama did start. I want a Bounty crew like him want rush Beanie and whatever and things like that. And Bounty one of them say, what you do? That time Bounty and Beanie not agree. Bounty and Beanie not agree. Like not agree. Because me say Beanie back gun. Bounty and Beanie back gun. And Bounty, I tell you, big something. I want a Bounty crew like him want different Bounty. And Bounty said, what you do? What you do? Clutch me. And then you agree, and Bounty said to him, I said Bounty is a wise youth, Bounty said, yo, I'm in a film style, but the two we need each other, Yeah, because him talented, me talented, but our thing get on another level because I was going the clash between me and him, you understand? So leave that alone. Me will deal with that. That me a killer tell you. So, when it come to me and Beanie, like him I say, yo, I ain't nothing with him, But him have the wisdom now to understand, say, this contest, this are years ago doing. So him have the wisdom to understand, say, no, the drama between me and him where them say, at that time, it was the biggest ongoing clash in a dancer. At that time. Later to be superseded by the Gully Gaza clash drama. But before at that time, and even now, this is just my bias, the younger people, that tell us they sang them from the Gully Gaza clash. Or the wickedest thing, because I feel them time. But people from my time would tell us they sang them from the Beanie Bounty clash, like, at them run dancehall, man, right? When Bounty come on and say, them leave the world in a suspense. Say them something. And then when Beanie counter rock and say, memories don't live like people. Hey boy, stop live down in the past. Stop remember when man a riders. Bomba, hey, me I tell you, said, yeah. A different something, but Bounty knew that him need Beanie. And Beanie need him to make that something that rise there. You see what I say? So we have to give thanks for that, yeah. Genuinely easy, Anyway, people, so I'm glad I'm there and don't start, but I'm drinking prune juice. I like prune juice, Yeah, prune juice. I'm good. My body used to it. Okay. It's not like the cream of milk. Who know about the cream of milk, know about the cream of milk. Yo, before we go take some card and thing, I just have two things I want to share with you. So, a brethren come to me and ask me something about himself and him ask me something about him brethren, right? But some I could deal with him ask about himself before. So apparently, his question was, Raga, what is the best time for you to kiss a woman when you're on a date? So I'm very relativistic, I'm very relativistic in the sense that, yeah, you have patterns, and I'm really into observing patterns in people, but if it's one person, you will always hear the line, a particular line from me, and it depends. Yeah, you're going to hear that from me because you know, I am layered, you know, I am very layered, and you know, I'm not gonna pigeonhole nobody in a pattern. I was never one of them guy that who have lines, you know, for woman and them something there. It just happened in the moment when I feel from you, when I feel from you, you know. Yeah, and the lyrics may come and it may not come and I feel it, you know. So of course, my immediate thing in my mind is, what do you mean when is the right time? There is no right time for a woman. So, you know, I say, if you don't mind, how old are you? And I'm like, oh, I'm 49. So right away it struck me that a 49-year-old man is asking me a question that is usually our preoccupation when we are teenager. That's the type of thing you think about when you're a teenager, you know, like, yo, when we go kiss, because a kiss is a big deal, you know, when you're a teenager, your kiss is a kiss is like sex, you know, worse when you're a man and you know, really know, you know, the confidence code it and whatever, you know that's something that. But if you're 49, somebody ask him why you ask that, and he must say, him been having problem with it, you know, when him a date woman, and every time, like, kissing a come up, him say it's a problem. Somebody say, what, is a problem like, what, you know if you kiss her or what? He must say, no, him just feel same always, I bring up kissing at the wrong time. So, him ask me, I say, but, I don't know what I say to you, because them something that depends, you know, have no, how you feel, you know? You know what I mean? So I say, no, when you're a date, you have a time when, you know, may I explain to him. I say you have a phase where man, them very pointed. And them for them things to make it happen, regardless of what the woman feel. Right? And then sometimes some woman work with that, even if them not feel it, you know, cause him, you know, them probably end up like him after, then probably end up not like him or whatever. But I say outside of that, it's a feel. It's what you feel. So I must say him no know when. So I say, no, you know, have no particular time for kiss. So I explain, I say, listen, say you're a woman attack for a while. I want to dip on phone, I want to reason, I want to joke, and she like you and you feel it, and you like her, I want to just have a little connection or whatever. And then you reach a point now where you say, I could consummate this with a date, now I want to carry upon a date. Now when you carry that woman upon a date, that woman that who don't like you long time and I feel you long time and excited about going on the date with you, when you carry her home, she may expect you to kiss her, right? You're not gonna get it the night there, you know, but a kiss, you can't get a kiss, you know, type of thing. So I say, in a situation like she may expect you to kiss her. So if you make a move, you know, the only thing that may spoil it is if you kind of do it stupidly, you know, whatever. So I say, but say you just meet a woman, and you meet her 2 weeks ago or whatever, and then you invite her, and I say, okay, cool, get a nice little vibes and whatever. 9 times out of 10, you know what I feel like? Say you have to kiss that woman upon the first day. You just meet her 2 weeks ago and she go out with you. That means she have to kiss you, you understand? So I tell him, say, it depends. But at 49 years old, it's just, him at 49 years old, film concern is, when is the right time to kiss? You know, sometimes you live and then you just take certain things for granted and you're like, yeah, you know, whatever. And then when you hear what some people out there deal with, you're like, what you mean? Like, right? 49-year-old, you know. Hey, dog, I'm confused about when is the right time for kiss a woman when him date a woman to write it. You understand what I mean? You understand? It's just, but here's the thing, though. My bunks it have one several of my female friend them and thing. And I find it interesting where, you know, them I said to me, no, but Raga, you'd be surprised, you know. A lot of grown men, you know, they're really awkward, you know, and them they really have no game, and them no, I said, really? She said, yeah, a lot of grown, experienced man. One lady all tell me, say, she date a grown, experienced man. She said, him could not kiss at all. Him just don't even know how to kiss at all. Grown, big, ageable man, experienced man. And she said, you know, Well, me, you know me. You have woman who don't know for kiss, because you know me categorize the kiss the woman, them, whatever. So yes, so it's the same thing on our side where some woman just don't know for kiss. But the point that they were making though is that that is not unusual to them. Like for me, it was like a big deal. Like at 49-year-old, you worry about when it's the right time to kiss. And they were saying like, no, a lot of men, there's some simple things where you think we women think them should know. Them don't know for do themselves. Interesting. Then no. Coops. Yeah. Then him I tell him about him friend now. So him say him friend I ask if it would be rude if him buy underwear for a woman for her birthday. Him friend, him tell him friend say him gonna talk to me. And him friend say ask him this. So he must say, yo, him say me if you ask him this. So, you know, I responded as best I could, and my response was, it's not something men do in general, particularly Jamaican men. They're not necessarily fond of something like that. Jamaican men, Jamaican men, this is where I am different from Jamaican men, Because you know my thing with Jamaican men. Them very excited if you take off a dirty panty, but they will never touch a clean panty. It's so illogical. It makes no sense, right? And remember, I'm a creative, but I'm a logic man too, It makes no sense to me, But again, it's context, obviously. But anyway, so I tell him, say, it's not a thing that Jamaican men are fond of, and they will question their sexuality if you do that and think she's a little bitch or whatever. I don't give a fuck. I love buying underwear for somebody that I'm with, and I enjoy it, But so I tell him. So I said the first question is, has he had sex with this woman? He said no. Him just I said tell him don't buy her no underwear. Because it's going to come over creepy. It's going to come over, as somebody said to her, cringy. It's going to come over pervertish and whatever. Right? 9 times out of 10 and whatever, come on. Do them something. Now, if you and your lady dead long time or whatever and thing like that, and she know you're crazy like that or you're cool like that or whatever and thing like that, women would find that sexy. Yeah, women would find that sexy. Every woman I bought underwear from, they freaking love it, I think, they would. But then as somebody you're there with for a while and, you reach that stage there where, you can't do that, type of thing. And that's between you and her, type of thing and whatever. And you have fun about it. I'm going to buy that one for so and so, You say, listen, you're going to knock this one, we're going to go, yes, we're going to dance, and I want you with a crotchless one, with a nice skirt. And then I'm looking at thing there, and I say, all right, yeah, me cool with them. So I say, all right, so me get some period panty. Like, nice little cotton panty will cover everything or whatever. I get into shit like that. Well, but I'm on a woman like stuff like that, but you cannot date a woman and then you're going to buy her a birthday gift and then you just going to buy her a bag of drawers and carry her gear or whatever. Yeah, there's something about that where I gonna be like, kind of, you're gonna hear the woman and say, yo, But again, it's just interesting some things where grown people out there kind of wrestle with, Some things where you think are just common sense, like, like who does that, or who would I do that? Like, for real, dog? No, sir. Type of thing. But you're not frightened for know that some people just, I guess, essentially, I don't know if clueless is the word, but just not in tune, not aligned with, I don't know, etiquette, but, me I said, like, to just know that, this is inappropriate, or this is cool, or don't rush it, don't rush kissing or whatever, and them something there, whatever. You will get kissed. She like you. If a woman like you, we have a rush for kiss her for. If she like you, you're going to know if she like you, no. If I know if she like you, no. The kiss will come, man. You know what I'm saying? One of them things there. Yo, Teddy Bear, big up yourself. Anyway, so I'm glad I come do the show, Glad I come do the show. I don't care come in with a mix up them. Oh, the person never come up. This Canada lady that she never come up a while ago. Hello? 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 So when them come up and we hear them attack or whatever, and then when them hear me, I say, Lord, them just decide to them not say nothing. So them just dead it. Like, why? Going down the line. Hello? 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 Ah, boy. Sometimes it make me wonder if I would not do them something. But, you know, say somehow no accidentally set up the thing them sometime, and I don't know what I mean for do it, so let's see. I will come at the back, come up in the chat, Wait, no cook at it. Wait. And it sometimes I think there's something that go on, kind of like you thought it in them and then like nothing happened. No man, something happened. People in the box like me I bring it up, but it don't even do the spin thing to say it I try for bringing up, So I don't know how I go on. See it do the spin thing, so it bring in a person. Cavi. What's up?
Good night, everybody. It's been too long, Raga.
I'm if I tell you now.
Lad, you run, we're going left me and take how long to come back and make a tour in a Raga. Me say, I don't know what I'm going to do with this girl, because I told her she's not no girl. She a girl.
Yeah, what the girl?
There. Yes,
Yeah.
that girl there. She's no girl tonight.
I wish I go out with her now.
That's a baby that is of no girl. But anyways.
Yeah.
So my Pop Tori tell you what she tell me say.
Pop Tori give me that she give me.
Yeah, one look man. We want a piece of her.
Seen?
No, it's not that she wouldn't give him a little piece,
Right.
But she would only give him a backers.
Only a backers?
Only a backers. But you know him want love making.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
So what? So when you say with the girl, no, only a backers, the thing is like it depends on the level, and may get like a green light, but some distance of it there still. I don't know. Love it. And the distance is establishing backers. We're not looking at one another, yeah, nothing.
No connection.
You are boom it off and you must send an argument.
Right, that's all.
But boy, romantic and mushy, don't.
Right, that's all. And she not romantic and mushy for one. Then number two, she not gonna romantic and mushy for you.
For him neither.
So you get me? So
right.
backers, if she feel like to maybe,
Mm-hmm.
But anyways, now, the man a text it and she decides, say, me not feeling like that, you know, cause what you want tell me say you want to do to me, you know, I kind of eatings and dining and I kind of stuff. Me not, she don't want that.
She know what?
Understand?
She don't like
No.
that. The girl I like them
She
some
just
of them.
want her back. It's not that, you know. It's just that use the person just a back as.
Yeah, for him, yeah, just a back. Yeah.
That's it.
Nothing,
Me no
yeah,
want
but
no, sorry, the girl no
The
want no
girl.
eatings. She
right.
no want no nothing like that. And I be a promise she me say wine and dine and all kind of something, you know.
Trouble.
And the girl just not interested.
Yeah.
But you don't know what the girl interested in, Raga.
What?
You don't know what the blood clot girl interested in, her.
What she
One
interested-
woman, Raga.
What?
One woman. One shim. And the shim have the pum pum jumping, Raga.
Hold
Raga.
on.
I mix up and blend that time. Raga.
Hold on.
I never ready feet neither when she tell me.
The girl meet a trans, a shim, a trans. and
A shim. Not trans, a shim. And the shim have the pum pum jumping. And the shim have the girl on the screen. I watch the shim like how the girl watch you. Like how we watch you. With we eye. I saw the girl watch the shim. Me said, Raga, me couldn't believe it neither. All of what the man say want to do to the girl wish the girl would have do it to her. Not the man.
She wish the shim would have do it to her.
Uh-huh.
Alright, well I know.
She don't want it from the man.
But what I know, because here what going out, so to the best of your knowledge, as far as how the girl juggle, because sometimes Jamaicans call a man royal a shim, so we just want to be careful, right?
That's so. That's exactly what she's talking about.
Okay, so that shimia is a woman who move like a
man, right? Just like one and everything. So the girl never knows that she like woman until she buck up on that one, yeah. You understand?
No, but I want to go on this, so no.
I don't know neither. She confusing me. Confusing me bad because I don't understand. All of a sudden the girl like girl because she buck up on that one that shim there. And that shim that have her feeling the way the man's supposed to have her feeling. She was not interested in the man at all. All of what the man say want to do her and she not interested. And the woman the shim she want to do.
So is this the first time? Is this the first time the girl find herself attracted to
a shim?
Basically a shim, a woman who move like a man, who thinks she's a man or whatever.
The girl that confused me because never in my life, or should I say her life, ever, at the first part of transaction of ever this kind of something.
Yeah.
And
so at this point now, is the girl wondering if she's gay or is she curious?
No, the girl just confused.
Now, put it this way: is it a sexual attraction or is it just a full attraction? A full attraction.
Everything want in the bed, imagination gone. There's so all
no. What more I know? Is she imagining like? Is her thing like? Oh, this person is really attractive. I could see myself enjoying this person's company, or is it that them just want a good sort out from the shim? Which one you think it is?
Well, me that go say just like how we look on you and lost like a ratted still, you know, because it's a sort out we want from you still, you know. But it's different with she.
But it different when she
we just want to move her too, you know.
Yeah,
you
but
know
with she, it would be like, yeah, would I there with that person there?
Yes, something
wow.
Crazy and that's why I said the girl, she confusing me because never in my life, but the shim go on with things. Me say the shim turn up things.
No, but what you think are going with the girl, you know? The girl.
I don't know what Raga, the girl confused me. I don't know if you a long time the girl not get nothing, you know, something not right. Me don't know. Maybe I bring a play of chicks pan her, I don't know.
So what? The shim is somebody on social media?
Yes.
And what on? Is it somebody on TikTok?
Maybe.
Well, that means it's somebody on TikTok. Okay,
no,
good.
No, maybe because I YouTube, but them could be on TikTok too.
Oh, a YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
You see the shame?
Mm-hmm. But they could be on TikTok too, you never know. Me not find them yet.
Yo, that thing they were smoke or withdraw.
Ooh.
Yeah, you just light it, man. Or withdraw. I Raga,
Oh,
you talk to me. I'm fast. I pick up everything. You just light a spliff. Oh, it draw.
you hear it again?
Yeah, but you hear it already, man. Oh, it draw.
Yeah. Top smoke, I'm gonna tell a lie for me.
Me? Remember, you know, we did I encourage you and I say,
No, don't. I'm a top smoke with you, Raga, man. I don't joke. I don't know what you hear, but in a lighter. Me do it again. Me don't know.
I want
But
that. I want that. You
And I
know,
like.
say I fool you take my father.
Oh God, Raga, man. Raga.
Listen to me. You see, after the lighter thing go, and you inhale, your speech was like, yeah. We hear everything. Me not miss nothing. Me not miss nothing.
Raga.
Eh?
Me not smoke, baby.
Eh? So all your voice gone down. So.
Me not know, but me not smoke, baby. Because I can't believe it. Me not turn on my camera right now.
No. You keep it
Darling,
100 doing.
if
No,
me
you're
ever
not.
tell it, me not turn on my camera. Raga, just trust me, me
What?
not smoke. You hear what you hear, but me not smoke. Don't worry
Okay, no.
yourself. Me
No,
not.
man. One thing we, oh,
Don't
yeah,
you turn on the camera.
no, from what your camera turn on, you know, you have been over
Mama,
here,
I
but
want not tonight, darling.
no camera. What, you naked then now? You
No,
naked?
I'm just missing certain things. It's all right, my camera not turn on.
Missing what? What you miss
Don't
right
worry
there?
yourself, me say. You hear what you think you hear, but I know what you think you
No,
hear.
but what you missing right now?
Don't worry yourself, Raga. I'm missing certain things right now. Yeah,
Then,
big
what you
man.
mean? Certain things are for your body? That you mean?
Yes.
Okay, all right then. Cool. That's okay. That's fine. We know no woman love walk around in the house. We love free up and thing when
What?
they walk around in the house.
Come with our free up, darling. It's all right. The camera not turn on tonight.
I what the wig? A wig?
Wait, come on, Raga, man. We are big people. We got to leave some problem.
All right, okay. Back to the four
Papa,
questions.
somebody type it.
Hold on, I go what? Hold on, go. Hold on, wait a minute, you laugh. What you joke on that? Tell me.
Sorry.
You know, so me
Look at
like
the
when.
comment.
Me like. Somebody said, missing your teeth. And say, yeah, miss your teeth. Well, and they say. I miss your teeth, them right there, no, there's a Raga can't see a mash mouth something right there, no, not right now. Not right now. But you know, but no, but what
You get the picture.
yeah, but you know that have its advantage. That have its advantage, you know.
Yeah, me know about to not have me crying. I see it.
Right, that have its advantage and thing, you know. Yeah.
Me know
No.
me heard.
Yeah, man.
I heard.
Yeah, people in the ram for doing that sitting there, you know. Man and woman, you know, and man do it, you know, just take out that thing and just start get to work with them out, you know.
Yeah, Jesus God. I heard.
Yeah.
I don't get to find out, but I heard.
So what you think I go on
listen.
this now with the girl? Well, what go on this now with the girl? Is she transition?
Why me not
Well
knowing
on. To the best of your ability, as best you can. Do you think she's transitioning into something new, or it was always there and it just got stimulated now?
Personally, what I think,
Mm-hmm.
or what I tell myself, because that's the only conclusion I can come up with,
Right.
is that this is a shame. I
Well,
think that's
no, it's a shame. No, me
right.
ask about the
So
girl
even though
being
it's a
attracted.
female, I think it's because it's a shame.
No, I know that, but what I'm asking is the girl being attracted to the shim. Do you think it is something new for the girl, or
Yes,
you think
it
it's
is something new.
So at no point before the girl did find woman attractive.
No, love wood like a dog.
Love what?
Wood like a dog.
Yeah, love body.
So she come over here, look, Lord God, love wood like a dog. Like, I don't know where better way to put it, like a dog. Yeah. But the only conclusion I can come up with is because this person still like not represents a man, but represents themselves like a man. If you get where I'm coming from.
Mm-hmm.
Me not an expectation for it, because it's not like to say, oh, it's a female like myself. It's somebody that acts, presents, dresses, everything like a man. Do you know what I mean? So I think that's I don't know. That's what I think.
Well,
It's confusing.
women who are attracted to that from what different from the woman them who were just forced, believe it or not, in that community,
I know. You're not
enough
gonna
of
go
them,
there.
them broken girls in it, whenever, whatever, they're very, in my opinion, from Jamaica days and thing, and them did talk about it, because I say something about it.
But that's true.
The amount of abuse and grape we're going with woman, with young girl at Jamaica, I don't know, man. The amount of woman
Not talking about.
and it not talk about who broke in girls in a thing and beat them into submission and thing in that community, it's awful.
It's true.
And then the one them who them beat and subdue, them just follow it and say them are this when them are not that. But anyway, separate from that. Outside of that, the women who are generally attracted to it, cut long story short, when them break it down, they usually explain it somewhere along the following line. It's like they're getting the best of both worlds. So what they say is...
When me do not when me love not the so do. So that's it's all confusing.
Oh.
When me love not the so.
So how is it sexual then? If you are cocky tag Eric, and where you said that no dead or whatever. So what is the sexual attraction then?
You don't know no cause.
And you obvious in a shorter man who want eat you up and all. You get that every day. Every day. So what is the attraction? What is the attraction then? What is the attraction then?
I don't know. But she's sexually attracted to the girl.
Yeah, but what would she what she imagine doing with the person?
Just in the bedroom.
Doing what? What she then? Well, yeah.
What them supposed to do? She tell us she willing to learn. Suppose me don't know. I don't know, Raga. But listen, me confused. Me don't know what you want me tell you say. I'm confused.
All right. For them favorite thing, one of them favorite thing. One of them favorite thing is a strap on. So you think the girl would work with that if that come at her?
No, because no.
No.
I mean, them say don't knock until they try.
Yeah.
So I think she might try, but I don't. They really something nice in her, Raga.
Well, me just tell you what them say. No.
May I tell you?
Hold on, no. I'm just telling you what them say, okay? Me there a long time, a counsel long time. So listen what them say, the woman them who like this, when them say, but it not real. They claim that butch lesbians, when them put on a strap on and have a fake dildo, I remember nowadays, and like before, them have all kind of things that make it. But they claim that the women who do this, the man royal, them are the shima, whatever you want to say, who do it, that them have a particular wine and the way them do it and thing where no man and man not have that. But just I tell you what them say. And them love it. Again, them claims say when them put in something the inside of them, the way of them wine and the way of them go on as women who consider themselves men, butch man then, butch lesbian and whatever. The women who love that, they claim, apart from, there is a whole security thing going on there, them so them feel protected and that turn them on. But apart from that, they claim that when them are wine it up in them, that it is a different wine from man.
Then Raga you can't wine. Cause nothing no sweet like when a man a wine up in a me don't know.
No. Them not disputes a man can wine, They're saying that, and again, obviously I wouldn't know this thing, but I tell you what them say.
Agree with what Raga say, cause me don't.
Me just tell you what them say. I tell you what them say. Which,
like you see the roast something though? You look roast something.
Yeah.
You can't match that.
It what?
The roast something, you can't match it. Like you can't match that, but
listen to me. Nobody can match that. Nobody.
The real hood.
Yeah.
Real hood.
Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah, that's something they're doing.
Yeah, man. Yeah, like
Yeah,
imagine it right now. Not so.
yeah.
Come put my belly button and a shape over that. It can shape to a mold to me something. I want to hear Raga. Them saying I can't mold to me something.
Worse like how
That's
you are
why
one of
Friday would have hurt me too much.
no, like you're one of them person. Me know 100% sure in a cavi, you're one of them woman they know like y'all a bounce and thing and you just raise up and catch your foot and just hold it in and say, look down and watch it a go in and thing and you love them
Oh
something they don't.
God, Raga.
Yeah, yeah.
Raga.
And watch it a wind up in a and thing and
Me like Quinty top too. You know
you
them
like
man.
quint it up to and what
Yeah, man.
Cavi, me
And
know say Cavi, me know say you're bad
me
pan
no
the
feel like me
sort out, you know.
feel like me can't do that pan the fake something the bob the battery operated boy.
Yeah.
I feel like me can't do that pan the bob. Mm.
But
Me no feel like me can't do the same thing pan the bob. Nah.
Cavi, me feel say you that be a fun, a fun joke, you know.
Let me not tell you already, man, Raga. That's why you have to
Yeah.
come give me some. You have to come give
No,
we some, I should say.
no,
Can you
you're
see
not.
you hear the girl and she a look woman to blood clot because she can't over 3 years no Raga. Over 3 years.
Wait. Come here.
A
Come
long
here.
time we don't do nothing.
Come here.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, walk in and come say hello to the TamFam.
Hello, answer. Lord God, watch Raga handsome face.
And I hear her through your head.
You hear her through my headphone. Him just come in, him never did that here before. Him
Me
just come in
frightened,
for
you see
feel
me.
phone.
You come like you
Say
read my
hello.
mind.
Say hello, Auntie Cavi.
Hello, Auntie Kavi.
Come on, speak up louder.
Hello, Auntie Kavi.
What me tell you about? Me tell you about confidence and surety.
Hello, Auntie Kavi.
That's
Yeah,
right.
that's what your
That's
daddy
right.
used and when confidence is key.
Yeah, that's right. And thing, right? Really
Yeah.
smart. In bright, you see, man, I tell you, boy, bright like a
We
morning
have brain
star.
cells supposed to get the brain clean.
Yeah. And today, man, all right. Go back to and go lock the door.
Yeah, if you went
Well on. He's not allowed to hear me saying them things.
Yeah, you're frightened me too, nothing. Yeah.
No, I kind of sitting about
down in the hurt your fart.
No. Me know say them hear all kind of something, but what even you see, even when kids hear all kind of something, what they must
Hear
be
from
able
you.
to say regarding to you is that you're always establishing boundaries. Right? They must always say that. So even though you know them, I say, no. Them not supposed to pass them place and come, and whatever,
The young man when him say yeah, me through the headphones.
No, man, I him stand up right just say, man.
Yeah, me get it after, but when me first did say, man, me say me start.
You think same did that? No,
nah, yeah. Wrong with shame.
No, man, him not the other room with him game.
Yeah.
But real quick before we go back to people who don't stop a foolishness, right? Remember, Raga is very secure in himself. No matter about getting father looks and thing. She says, Zion, we at a boy than me. Me can't come, see, Zion a face boy and whatever.
Raga, you leave your own.
Nah, yeah, me a whole cruff right here now, man. See me, Raga, all big old last year.
Man, and a few
big
times.
nose, big head, old man, Raga and thing like that. But yeah, a Zion at the face boy, a Zion at the good looking or whatever thing. Don't come push me up in the man class when the man up there by himself and thing, all right. Anyway, so Cavi. No, yeah,
yes, but over 3 years.
Yeah, 3 years, no, but Cavi, you're little in a body. Cavi, you're little in a body, don't?
Yes.
Like out time. Like out time.
5'1", me tiny.
5'1". You slim?
Yes, you just walk and boom me so lad. You just boom me.
So you could have walk around when you just bounce your on it and thing, don't?
That me I tell you from long time, man. So me ready for you long time. Come take the book.
Jesus God. So Cavi, like if Cavi, me tell you one thing, like if you bounce, you carry in front of it. Listen to me, man.
No, put me against the window is very easy.
No, the window, me like the window. They look out in the window. Yeah, wall the window sill, that nice. But Cavi, you know what nice do? You walk a boom, you put it, carry in front of a mirror, right?
Oh, God.
One man, listen, man, and it's still in there, Flip you, make your face the mirror, right? Drop low. Raise up your leg, them, right? So you hold your two legs, so, you face the mirror, Me I hold you with your little body, and just line it up in here, look on it in the mirror. You wanna love that, Cavi?
Then up the raga, you know, say you're wicked. I was you know about here, do a part there now. You know where am I doing, man?
Come here, while I go here talk to you, get quiet your phone.
You know, yeah, you know what you do. I can't let me not joking with them.
Come here, while I go, you get quiet, so we know your
Them
imagination.
raga, me must go quiet and go right
Yeah,
there.
see
I
it,
was
you know,
right
you were
there.
right there, me feel you, man.
Right there, I feel every motion, raga. You wicked to me bad.
Me here, I look at silence, I can't see it, and I said, this drunk or this dirty
See
boy.
it, you feel it, you think it's that wicked. It's not understand for a long time, I not get nothing, you know.
No, but coffee them style of bad man, them style of nice, you know. Mad
So,
thing, man, I tell you. You
hey,
see?
raga, I just talk about the flip with the 69. I get one of that already, you know. Me blood,
The
raga.
what? The what? The what?
Flip with the 69. Me get a 69 with the flip.
No, coffee.
Hold on, let me
Coffee, stop.
explain.
Coffee,
Sir,
me,
hold
hold
on,
on.
please.
Coffee.
Me never say
Coffee.
you.
Okay, because I never that. I said to you a while ago.
That's what I said with the 69. I get a flip with the 69 as
Okay,
it's
all right. Yeah,
differentiating.
Yeah,
Right.
me hear about that flip there, you know. Me hear about that flip there, you know.
The man have me a boom. You hear me say? And next minute me know one flick from out of nowhere to and that's the one time I can't say me ever been manangled.
Yeah.
One time in my sexual life. One flip me round to blood clot.
Yeah.
Me frightened and excited at the same time when me tell you about oh my raga. Yes, and years ago I can't forget it.
Yeah.
Years ago the man flipped me over.
So when him flipping around before you know it, your head down this one, whatever.
On the saw and a proper 69 I perform.
Yeah, and of course, Jesus
I was not
Christ.
hesitating. Listen, man.
So when him flip you right away, him start get busy to do.
Mr. Member, so me not hood sucker like that. Raga, me not really like it. A long time, me not put them in my mouth. You understand?
Right.
I'm back to virgin. And I don't see the father alone. You understand?
Right.
But Jesus, man, when that flick, there was something else, Raga.
Yeah.
That flick, there was something else.
Yeah, they like it, do.
Me says I went straight away. Not it. One time in the yai water and I fall, and the one time the yai water and I drop out of my yai. No nose not run. And me and the wood thing in and friend, you know, I beat me up in a raga. That motherfucker beat up my blood clotting.
What you mean?
Listen, and I say me can't do it, you know. And I say me don't know how to do it, but you say me gag reflex is crap. It's shit.
Oh, okay.
So me yai ever run water. What I mean beat me up. Yai water run, nose water run, like somebody.
Oh my God!
Me say, listen, man, when he sitting down with me, and that's why say you hold it and I do it to me, and me I do it to myself because I'm in control of it, but it's still a beat up my blood clot. Me I tell you, raga, yai water.
But why? So why you if your gag reflex not good and your throat not good like that and thing and what you little body, you know, say I have a little throat too and thing and what. But so why you beat up yourself and a ball pan it and thing and what.
Boy, I mean, I know, but me I tell you,
so one on, there are people listening to you right and want to understand. Them can understand a man of, you know, hold your head and this and that and a push.
That's from my point, and me I do it myself, I'm in control, I'm a tilt.
No, but why if you get head as you reach a point where you're ball and you want to not stop and you punish yourself? What?
It's just terrible. So the fact of having this big sit in my ass mouth alone in itself is going to be
but wait, are you one of them? Because you have some Jamaican woman, you know, I grew up amongst them, especially when I said to them, you know, I saw. For them thing is, and when them are dead and it a bust them up and thing, them not cry. Is this thing them up? Are you one of those? Are you one of those people?
A part of the process. No, me no need no lessons, darling. Me I tell you, I'm bad for my head game when me do me sitting and just my gut reflex is shit. It's shit.
Well, no, some people them double act Tracy are the same thing with shit or gag reflex.
Yeah, mix up the woman. Yeah, mix up the woman. Listen. Me not need no class. Me just me gag reflex. It's not gonna get no. I have done it enough to know say it's not gonna change. It's not gonna change. The minute that crap enters my mouth, that's it.
Well, you ever get turned on? You ever get turned on when a man broke you out in something and I teach you and I tell you what you do? You ever get turned on by that?
Yeah, me like when you talk to me, but me know me are doing it, especially with the
Yeah.
head game. Yeah, especially me
Yeah.
just start to, of course.
Yeah,
Even when I
someone
even
love
now
me.
to the day, yeah, me listen, I go, what, talk to me, me know what me I do right in it and what me I do wrong. You mad? I'm tear ragga that turn me on, of course, I'm gonna do it even more.
You know who men need to have that attitude, but them don't. A lot of
Somebody say
men.
mind over matter. That's so true. I think that's my issue. That's so true, Angie. Sorry, Raga.
No, that's okay. Oh, well, and you take advice from Angie. Hold on, you do realize that she's from Canada, right? You do that she's from Canada, right? No, you know she's from Canada, right?
And
She's from
so
Canada.
Canadian woman can't. What
No,
is it?
everybody know the whole of the whole of them sort out, the Canadian sort out, them not good, them not know nothing. You cannot Canadians, them sort out not good, them just not good, they're awful. Canadians, them just not good. No, the Canadians sort out them pop down. And she fear head game. Yeah, we got to take head game counsel from she, whatever, what
Well,
she know.
Angie, me I the same boat then, yeah. Maybe what place too cold, me don't know.
Well, and she's not even from Toronto, she's from Calgary, so it's even worse.
So that's a warmer.
No, them up in that part, them hug up the moose, them and the elk, them.
No, sir. No, man, Angie can't help you. Can't help you.
Yeah.
Why not for the woman them run guys Jamaica go look.
No, I be a moose and them thing there. And every day she get her, she eat one something with them have on there named poutine.
Right, number one, you come poutine.
Yeah, them I eat poutine, I can't poutine. Them I eat beer poutine, I can't poutine, nothing and whatever. Canada people sort out pop down. Canada people sort out no good. You understand?
Want this some poutine.
Yeah, I be a poutine meat. You think I do me make?
No, that's why I tell you, me why you come poutine. Come give me some poutine.
Oh, we reach back there, sir.
Because I over 3 years.
Right, so down there supposed one down there supposed coming like a vice grip, you know, don't
lock me out.
Jesus.
You know, that's the next thing Raga woman want touch pan. Me hear woman
yeah, that do I force myself in that and curl up in that. What say what?
Woman talk about when them now do not know for a long time, them something down there so open up. Me don't know what the blood clot them a talk about. Anytime I sit lock down, she lock me out.
What you mean open up if them not do it for long?
Them say down the loose. I swear me hear woman say so over the years. I swear to God, I'm always I wonder what them a talk about.
I've never heard that before.
I swear to God, as me there I saw. Me hear woman say to them out.
I have never heard that before.
So when you not use it.
Well, let me see. Anybody who never hear no, sir, I never hear that yet.
You know, make me mad. I not joke thing.
Well, no, no, Kavi, I get knocked right now, you know, because me not see nobody. Kavi, well on. Me not see nobody. I said them hear that.
Me can name one friend right now. Me no want call nobody name. I not joke thing. Me I tell you.
Well, one person said them hear it before, but.
I'm not joking, me I tell you, a woman me ears so out of them mouth. I'm always wonder what them a talk about, because anytime I sit the lockdown Raga, she lock me out.
Baby girl says she hear it to baby girl. No, sir, that does sound, well,
it
for me, it's illogical, it don't make no sense, you know?
And me know that for a fact, because me know about my own body from experience, that Raga, what I mean lock me out, lock me the fuck out.
Yeah, man.
She lock me out.
I idiot, man. They could have gone and look more when Kiefer fine, yeah. Yeah.
Lock me out. So she needs to go.
Time work it in.
A long time.
Take time open that they do there, yeah.
Come here,
hey, hold on. You know, it's a Jamaican man live for them something they do.
Me know, but come here, Raga.
Yeah.
You never tell me, say, under that little part there. You know that little part there, under the bars? That little stiff part there?
Yeah.
I know they never tell me, say, under this abono, sir.
Yeah, what name people, somebody tell me name Pernium sitting on there. It's an erogenous zone, yeah.
One day, me dey on my phone and the man decides say
perineum, see that perineum. Yeah, man. Yeah, go attack. Mm-hmm.
The man decides say I go disturbs me dey on my phone at chat. You know want to come out for the phone call conversation. Sweet.
Yeah.
So he can turn up over my head. So you know what about?
You come what?
Turn up over my head.
Yeah.
You know you start mess about. You know?
Yeah, cause him come stand
Me
up over here.
pussy
So yeah.
clap at one piece of like the man want climb to the ceiling to hear me now with the caca clat.
Yeah, man. Right there, so
When
you know.
massaging start going under there with the tongue, I'm like, where the I
Yes,
never
man.
know Raga. I learned something that day to Ross.
From foundation, man. Long
I
time.
learned something that day.
Right there, so.
You know,
Right
so
there,
that
so.
never left me again. I'm a magic touch. Me caca clap, me never knew. Me say, Raga, under the little spot there, so the stitch part in between. And then grab the balls.
Not the stick, not on the, you know, right below the scrotum sac. The
That's what me
ball.
attack.
Right, yeah.
And the
But not,
scrotum too.
yeah, in terms of the nerve endings and it being super sensitive
under
and
the
pleasurable
scrotum then.
is right on. Yeah.
Basically,
Yeah,
yes.
man, for a long time, man.
And grab all the balls them same time too, you know.
No.
So
Fix up that.
can't
Oh,
pan
well on. Fix up that what you just said.
All right, so can't pan them then.
You don't say grab on the. Listen, men are
With the mouth.
Yeah, but I don't know one grab. Don't grab.
All right. So
Don't grab. Don't grab. Right. Yeah, lay it on your tongue and thing, and you play with it gently.
Them as
Right. Yeah. You do a slow motion goggle, a matrix goggle, you know, a matrix, matrix, you know. A look a slow motion goggle. Don't grab. You remember what Eddie Murphy said? Eddie Murphy said, women need to know you just have to graze the balls for us to be in pain. Okay?
Listen,
And that
man.
Eddie Murphy said, okay, so no grabbing.
I didn't know, Raga. I learned. And I'm telling you, I'm a magic touch. May I tell you, say, hey, Charlie, if you're him clean and him good to go, future, sir, I shall sort you out.
Oh, but by the way, you have some women in them, I tell you this. Just so you know, a lot of men they look a bit nervous with when time woman goes on with the scrotum, with balls or whatever. But there's some women who would put everything, who can hold everything, and then put everything in their mouth.
Yeah.
Hold on. And they're teabagging, obviously. But you have some women who are so good at it that the man no feel no discomfort.
I can imagine. And
them just know it. The whole of it in there in the mouth, you know. You talk about the scrotum, you know, and them are juggling in
and I work. Yeah, me know.
And you know, feel no, you know, jump or nothing because them good like that. In other words, them a do a full frontal thing.
Right.
It's sufficiently gentle. It's still gentle. You know.
One side. Yeah, one at a time. One side each for me. You get teabag one side. One side.
You can't do two.
One at a time.
Yeah.
Yes.
One another thing. One other thing. One other Kavi. You know, Jamaican man, them obsessed with tightness, right? Right. Oh, by the way, sidebar. You know, so when we come to America, I mean, hear a white man say, white men, them attack. You know, them claim said them a party, but them not dance, them just a drink. So them invite me to this party of Camp Joel. I'm gonna go to the party and me hear them, and it was the first me hear man attack, and them I say, hey, now I ain't going there, man. She too tight, man. It was like, she was tight. I was like, yeah, she was tight or whatever. Me never hear that shit from a band, you know. And when me talk to other people, the woman, them I say, nah, man, you have some man, them not join that something, man, them not in a tightness or whatever, then, you know, and them I say, no, Jamaican and Caribbean, man, them in a tight. Them I say, no, a lot of men up here, them not like tightness and whatever. It was the strangest thing to me.
Remember we try for that, you know, Raga.
Now, what me tell you, man, we in a Jamaica, the way we raise, man, we love when it's tight and we are fine way for going at that this day. We are fine way for we are bad and we are going to keep it right there. We are when I take time, little by little and edge it and going and we not stop. And when we're done, we feel like I said, yeah, me I tell you she tight, you know, but oh, me didn't have to get in that last night.
You know, the boy I said, John Star, look him cut up, but it was worth it.
Yeah. Well, I know, man, what can I say, yeah, me I tell him, I bruised up my wood last night, you know, but oh, me I tell her, me I tell her, the good man, me I tell her, well, I'm wood bruise up my lad, but I get in there, man, I deal with it. Billy, I said.
You know where them come from, but we were raised to keep that thing tight and we love the tight things, like.
Yeah, but all right, well, but a different thing, though. You know, so man about this so tight. You don't know it's enough man real tight mouth too.
Well, my mouth tight too, you know, because
Your
it
mouth.
can't seem to hold a lot.
Yeah, your mouth tight. You have a tight mouth.
Then if it can't hold 2 bars one time, it must rot it tight. If
Don't.
as the sitting going in my mouth, as the hood going in my mouth, my gag reflex turn up. I must tight it tight. I'm just saying because what the hell is going on with me compared to other people? As it
So,
enter my mouth, my gag reflex turn up.
so when you
I
say
see the
tight
big
mouth,
thing in my
coffee.
mouth not working out for me.
You know, so I'm going to start calling it TMK.
All the jar them. Hey,
Well, I know,
ladies.
TMK.
Hold on, man, Raga. Come here, complain tonight. Ladies, when time we at the
TMK.
hood, the
When
jar
what?
them are, hey, the hood we get a lap jar in a Raga. Sometimes the jar them tired in a Raga. It hurts in a Raga.
Well, really?
Yes!
Yes! well, sometimes your mouth really just tired for true.
Raga, the
Don't.
jar them hurts. That true the ladies don't want to tell you no, can we look well like we bad. So when the jar kill where we are walk same way, the jar them would have kill you more time. The jar tired when they done the pain. Yes, the pain is crazy.
Really, no.
And when you left when you taste in a people mouth, me not like that. That's one thing me not like. Me can't taste in the back of my throat.
Well, that is a good thing. You
No.
know, you know, well, you know, when you're young and your girlfriend are calling and say, "Oh, I can still smell you in the pillow."
Well,
And
me
them
can't
some,
taste
when
the back of my throat.
you never
Yes.
get, you never them type, when you're young man and girlfriend, and all that, I'm not going to wash the pillow because it still have your cologne or it still have it. And when so you can imagine that, and so you know, so you still at the back of my throat
Back
and
of my
now too.
throat. Yep. You know you're supposed to feel good as a man hearing that to blood clot. But no, you're supposed to not feel that way. You let your teeth get a taste on the back of my throat of your
Yeah, man, I say, oh,
yeah,
you
whatever the
mean?
fuck it. Me can't taste you at the back of my throat.
Yeah, man, say, yo,
The back of my
stay on
throat
that.
feel
Well,
irritated.
yeah, man, so what you mean? Stay on that.
Exactly. I really last year. No, it's not right. It's because the reasons why I'm in trouble them something there in a Raga because I can't bother. The back of me, I got my back of my throat, I got bruised up. And I can't taste you or feel you around there.
Okay.
My jaw hurt. The pressure too much, my jaw hurt. The
Yeah.
one that it hurt.
Well,
You understand?
When you 700 people, you see people love a free. Yeah,
Yes.
them sitting there and love, you know. I want no phone, no. When you look a silent listener, when you sit down there, listen and enjoy on yourself. No. Yes,
Uno
you.
come talk up the
Yes,
things
Uno.
them like
Yeah.
me. Talk up the things them. Don't be afraid. Learn to be honest and let it out.
Me can't knock them still, you know, because me can't enough people me listen and don't go in their life, you know. Me not gonna lie. Me not gonna lie.
Listen.
And
Why me not lie, Raga?
one on, you know,
time
all
still.
right. Me I go say something, and you know, me can't manage certain people and thing energy. But me I go say something, you know. You know, say what they mean, and you talk about certain people. What they mean, listen pretty done. And I hear growth. So people when they tell Pretty Dan say, me hear growth from her. Like say she's growing, you know, like she's maturing because there was a time when Pretty Dan talk back in I think and you know, even something where she beat girl and all them something there, whatever, and she beat them and Ray. And me I say, you know, me I listen and me I say, John, no. I mean, Pretty Dan a reason what the and her reason was just so textured and whatever. But me never go in her life doing, you know.
You know, in fairness to her, you know, I think a long time she have that still. You probably
For
catch
real?
her on her mouth, but yeah.
Oh, no,
Yeah,
man, me hear her a reason.
I will
What
give
do you...
her a fair props.
No, what do you mean hear a reason? I mean, I say,
stupid girl.
Pretty Dan is a bright person. She reason, me I hear some tight reasoning, some solid reasoning from her and thing. I'm sit down and she talk about what people go through and the mental health and she said, and it was really good. It was really good, you know.
Because that she's loud and you know the
yeah, but when she go in at the other thing, thing them and
No
whatever.
time
Make
people
it.
comment on when she do the good, like when she slung like the one where ear and can
Yeah,
when she
yeah.
does them one people like say if only she could do this more often. Like yeah man, she
No
I don't
man,
know
she yeah, pretty damn big up yourself, man, because
I will give
what
her
day
that.
me I scroll through and thing and me sit down and listen you for a while and you know me I learn from you and you know and appreciate some solid
Yeah man,
reasoning where you're going with and thing, you know.
she's not
Big up
stupid.
yourself, pretty Dan. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. So me say me nah knock people them who me know and listen now, but them like come in at the live, you know. But
Like you was on the outside listening to
because
people
me do
down.
it too. Me do it all the while with people, man. Me
She
just kick
does
back
need to
and
do
think.
that more often, but she
Yeah,
got clear man. She's clear.
yeah,
I'll give her
yeah.
a props.
But
Yeah.
enough time, you know, it's enough time me kick back and listen and and like me I catch her vibes and me appreciate it. And me will just go in at the live and me just tell them thanks. You can ask people, me do it all the while. Though. Me just tell them thanks. You know, so I've been enjoying this discussion for the last 20 minutes or so, and I just want to come in and tell you thanks and whatever and things like that. So I don't want people to believe like I don't want people to believe that I'm being perennially parasitic in my consumption of people's content.
You can't talk them something in my ears when time we are doing something.
When you like them something, you know.
From you.
Do you realize that you know, the poet earlier, you realize you have some kind of sapiosexual thing about you, you know. You like
kind of language
no, what I'm saying is
why you taught them to me one time I depend the boy I ride the boy because maybe they can translate.
yeah, you like them
Yeah, the
something
energy can come through to me and maybe they can translate then.
Yeah. And before you know it too, you all have an intellectual pum pum.
There you go.
There you No, but Kavi, don't get it twisted, you know. Kavi, don't get it twisted, you know. Kavi, listen to Mas Raga, no. Kavi, you have intelligent pum pum and don't spot pum pum, you know.
My pum pum intelligent na blood clog.
Yeah, no, Kavi, you have intelligent pum pum. No, me not talk about that over the place. That's something different. Listen to me, man.
It's not any skin catcher, Raga.
Now, let me tell you something.
Specific coming on my tun.
Well, you know, like if y'all, me I tell you this, you know, I don't know if I energy or why, you know. But listen to me, you know, people listen to me up before me start laugh. Who never smoke weed and thing, you know, so you get a good spliff and thing, and you also food, and it kind of like everything becomes illuminated and thing, and you start think certain thing, and it's like you just open up and connect to the universe in some ways and whatever. Kavi, you have some pum pum still, so you know. You have some pum pum, you're going at them and you get brighter right away, you know. You feel like no man, you get intellectually sharp, or you get like you just kind of an openness, and your thinking becomes fluid and enhanced and whatever.
Man, you were bright, so you're gonna get brighter. There we go. You're gonna get brighter.
And then you have don't spot pum pum like you're going there, like it's like when we go around the corner,
The people them good up somebody that was somewhere in a life.
No, you have some pum pum you're going there. You say, Jen, you know, say that pum pum you did school.
Yeah, the people them good somebody that was somewhere in a life got people from pum pum way.
No, man. I want school, pum pum. And I'm sure women feel the same. Women on probably have man who like half and whatever, and as soon as a man going on and it's just like, oh shit, I regret this. It just doesn't even feel right. That happened to you, That happened to you, eh? That happened to you, like, yeah, and after the man goes a boom and step in our living room, you're just like, yo, this don't even feel right. That ever happened to you?
The energy, yeah.
Yes, the woman must say yes. The woman must say yes.
The energy.
Woman must say yes.
I'm gonna kiss anybody. I feel that you see them say sex, I don't want to take your energy, but in my experience, I
kiss.
Yeah.
All right, well, do you agree with me that kiss tells you more about a person than sex?
That is why I've slept with people that I've never kissed. I've only kissed a few, like literally a few handful in my lifetime. So I agree with you.
All right, but before you go, listen to the kissers now, right? Different women who kiss in different ways. The vice grip.
What kind of one? The teeth.
Them may come with them mouth opening if they kiss you, you know, and as soon as you go upon them mouth, and teeth locks up, and them don't want anything, and a bare teeth you get, you could have never put your tongue in them mouth.
Me not do vice grip, but me will style you. Come
No,
on.
hold on, right? So you have the no, in a fit mind them a kiss, you know. All right. Then hold on, then you have the Duns River.
Nah, me hate that. And that's what me a complain about the last time.
Water! When you kiss
Them
her,
they
water
put-
come
them
out.
put me off ice, brother.
Them might put all a whole heap of water over in your mouth.
No, you
I
understand
make
what me a
it-
talk about my
Well,
bad
I make it look like I make it look like say you. The lele. When I know you know, at them push
That's what I mean to them
at them
leave,
push feed them water over
Yeah.
in your mouth with them
Yes.
Duns River kissing. And thing and whatever.
When
When
we start
will it
that,
water
when me
and
not
then the
like
water
it.
drain out of your mouth and it look like you and I never you and I then put it over
Them
there by you.
traumatize me, Raga. Like that one, them me not like it at Jesus.
Then when I know, then you have the vacuum now. You see when the vacuum when them a kiss out,
I
then
like the
giant
one
first-
neither.
Me not-
Yeah.
them- when I, it's coming like them want to suck out everything out.
The DNA. The literal DNA.
When them a kid, them go,
The DNA them want to go to you.
and then you have the Hollywood kissers. Them tired the out, you know, man.
And the egg just a wine from neck from side to side.
And the Hollywood kisser, them.
You know, that's some most I will start learning how to kiss though the Hollywood.
Yeah, them too much, man. Them too much,
You
man.
know how we start out when we say we are learning to kiss. That's true.
Them too much. Yeah, they have one next set now, you know. Is either you come over for them yard, you know, but they not come over your yard, you know.
No,
Right.
me that. Me
No,
nah go
so
over your yard.
you put
So
your
my
tongue over and
go
for them out, you know, but
lie.
for them tongue now come over
Me
here.
me nah go over your yard.
No,
There
you
go.
need for no, I want me chief you kiss you for come over my
Nah.
yard to then me come over your yard, you know.
And
for
me
come-
will take your, me will come over your yard a little bit. No, you come over my yard a little bit. Work
No,
with the
you for
lips.
come over my yard too. You for come
Work
go
with
over
the
your
lips. We got lips.
Nah, man.
Little bit of tongue.
no,
A whole
man,
lot of lips. Yeah.
and then
And,
you have the
and
then
the,
well
the minimalist saliva.
Then
Like
well,
the minimalist.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have the dentist them now, you know, man.
Bumble.
When I tell you them I clean your teeth, I and when I do it in the well, I tell you, man. But yeah, no, man, the dentist kiss at them, man, and them say teeth. And I learn them to tongue the round upon the teeth, then, and I just teeth them I work with. I just teeth them there, you know.
Yeah, man.
And
Some
then-
people go back to the drawing board.
And then finally, you have the drill of them, you know.
Would it be a teeth and knock?
No, man, them it's like them just, it's almost like them a tongue F you know.
Oh. Yeah, some people do that.
Well, then your mouth them and feel them up, but what go on inside of the mouth is this.
I mean, I'll do. If you stick your tongue out, me would play with the tongue a little bit like that.
Listen, when you kiss, you play with tongue, you know, just with the tongue like and
No.
kissing that. That is not
No.
kissing. Right, but me I tell you, say you have woman when them a kiss them come.
Yeah.
I drill them a drill, like I drill them a drill, I go in and whatever, you know.
So them are just on the driller.
Yeah, but the best kisses, you know, are them look them look soft. Yeah, them look soft, gentle
Right
kiss.
one.
You know,
And when
look
you
at tongue
feel
and you play
afraid
with
of
the
kiss
tongue.
when a raga.
Them nice, man. Yeah, eh?
I'm afraid of kiss.
Why you afraid of kiss?
When I tell you, say, I believe says kissing are the one that the soul tying and all of them
Yeah,
someday.
man, not true. You watch Pretty Woman, you know, because you have
No,
enough woman
man,
who
I've
watch
based on
Pretty.
experience.
Enough
My baby
woman
father,
watch
the
Julia
children, them
Roberts, you know.
father, told
That
me
is a
ask you
classic, you know. Why so much woman love that movie this so?
Me don't know, but my children father stole my heart through a kiss, literally a kiss.
Oh.
A kiss. I'm talking of my own experience. You understand? Me have sex with people. Ain't no blood clot soul sharing our time. Me not feel that. energy. But when
you with
kiss
me, I tell
somebody,
you now. Well,
there's a different energy that comes with
me
it.
tell you this: 100%. Never feel, never ever feel. I'm there a world long or whatever. If me want know how a woman really feel about me, now what she say, whatever, how she really feel when me kiss her, I know.
Thank you very much.
With 100% certainty, never feel, never switch, never 100% certainty.
I
If
was
me
not
want to know
interested
how
in
a
my
woman
dear father.
really feel about me is how she kiss.
When
Like,
I met that man,
well, you have woman who give one bag of arguments and things. That the time a certain thing, them a pray and them want this and that from you and whatever, and and I go on and as soon as me kiss them and whatever, you see, when people kiss, it's hard for them to be dishonest. It's coming like kiss coming like eyes, you know.
your
They tell the
soul,
truth.
it
Yeah, them
right.
tell the truth. Them tell the truth, you know. So me
Yep.
always know, man, when I kiss a woman, me just know like, okay, yeah, this is what's going on. Or wow. You
I
know?
don't kiss. I mean, I tell you, my children father told me heart literally through a kiss. When I met this man, me never there was no interest. You know, you just meet somebody and you
Yeah.
needed the day. I just come England and I needed the lift the day. You understand? I take a lift.
Yeah.
Right. Me did go through a traumatic experience because once somebody try
Right.
rape me like in the same week. I don't know if I'm back home, you know, look a bastard, coming about me with knife for me, but anyways, that's a different story. Yeah. So me take the lift from him, him and him bridging, come there, the bus stop the day, and it was just that. You understand? Him say I go compete me for go out, and me just I go out with the person. There was no feelings. Me never see man. You know, when you meet somebody and it's like there's this attraction, there was nothing like that. But yesterday when I kissed the man, when I kissed that man, that person when me never had no feelings like that. But that person embraced me with a kiss and I kissed them back. Just to kiss them back sake. I was young then, I was about 19. But when I kissed back that man, when me never did I feel nothing far. Something happened, Raga. When me felt something in my core. Like what the hell? So that's why me attack of my experience. Me not kiss anybody. Because me never have no attraction to that man like that. He was just somebody who offered me a ride. I'm gonna take the ride. Who offered to bring me out. Come just come a foreign. Me take the opportunity to go out with the person. But and the night I go out with the person, I kiss the person on that flipping night, Raga.
And it was
that
just
person
and it
had
was just
3 children later. Married, divorced, and all kind of sitting, darling. And where you there? That person, all of my 3 picnic them is with that person. We get married, divorced, and all kind of ups and downs over the hill and all kind of over the gully.
Damn.
That person I'm never interested in her. But because I kissed him,
yeah.
not anybody. I'm afraid of kissing.
No, you see,
Me not get
what?
affected
No,
with
what? You know,
anybody,
no.
Raga.
What it suggests, you know. All right, you see, just like how the best way I explain this to people is that, you know, when we say, as you meet somebody, sometimes your spirit just take the person, or your spirit just cross.
No,
you know,
what?
No. So you know that's something they do. You know that phenomenon, right? Where you meet this person, you're like, well, I don't know him, but me just him come around me or she come around me and I just get cross, you know? Right. They try to explain it with this thing called pheromones and whatever. But the truth is they don't really know what it is yet, you know? But it is along the line of the following. It's just like how we have unique fingerprint, unique eye print, unique voice print or whatever. And we use the word energy, right? We have energy, you know. Every human being have energy, you know. And when you're there on somebody, you feel it. Many of you felt it, whatever. Science just can't explain it, right? So you find, say, you will just come on somebody, them don't do you nothing, them not say nothing, you just don't like them. You just don't like them. And then as somebody else, you just go around them and you just feel this immediate connection with them, just like, wow, you feel good, y'all feel turned on, y'all feel alive, or you just feel like drawn to them and things like that. Again, don't care what you hear people say, learned people out there. Nobody, them still don't know it yet. Anything we hear out there is an hypothesis, right? They're hypotheses, right? But nobody don't really know what them just know say it happen. People experience this thing. And I believe that same thing that where people experience and whatever, it can be revelatory, it can be revealing in kisses too. That's why you can say, you see, man, I'm not feeling attraction, female, whatever this and that.
Right.
But
In a
when you
kissing.
kiss, that thing open up, that whatever that energy is open up, and thing, that connection, it just kind of,
Something
you know.
happened on that night. I was
Yeah.
not free. I there was no interest. It was just somebody I met. That was
Right.
it. I have met my first boyfriend. When me see him never see me. And me felt something, instant attraction towards him. We didn't make eye contact, nothing. He didn't even see me. Me see the person I walk past and felt that natural attraction. You know what? And he remained my boyfriend until me come a foreign. Now I tell you what next guy now when we meet over here, where me go down at the place, me never intend to go out with nobody. You understand? Cause me just break up with my kids them father, and you know that's I go and hold it low. And me see the Friday night and eye contact, that same feeling, that same chemistry when I feel with like when my first boyfriend when me see him without him see me. When me make eye contact with that guy, that's the same feeling I felt that I had to look back at him. That is where I try explain this, like scientists can't find no explanation for it. Me don't know this person from nowhere.
Exactly.
First I see him.
Exactly.
But when I made eye contact with this person, apart from everybody else in the room, I felt something within my body. A natural connection, like the connection with the person. So me look back at the person when make eye contact again, I'm going to look back, I feel a certain way.
You do the look back.
Yes, I did. I look back. Him get a look back. Me look up back.
Him get a look back. Yeah, the look back bad, you know. The look back bad, you know. The look back bad, you know. I tell you.
Eye contact give people invitation, so I don't really do the eye contact thing.
You don't do it.
Invitation.
Exactly.
And
well on, and it's a power game too, you know.
Yeah, me not eye contact give people invitation, but they feel like they're welcome to come over and sorry, you're not welcome. So eye contact is not something I really do.
Yeah.
To make people feel like that. Eye contact, I wanted that thing too, where we make you get feelings to people too. I'm afraid that I want looking in at people, somebody's soul.
Yeah, man.
I'm afraid that I want that too. That's another one.
No. Women are susceptible to it. Women are susceptible to a man who talk to them and I look straight in at them eye.
I not like him. I'm afraid of it. It brings feelings.
Women,
them something that bring feelings too. I ain't on that at all.
But back in the day when me I play a game, you know, one of the sweetest thing, you know, is to give a woman the look, you know, man. You give her the look, you know. And worse if she a hot girl who used to man, you know, there's a dime a dozen because man always a step to her. But if you give her the look, you know, and then walk past her, you know, and don't look back.
I know I'm wicked. Yeah.
No, I know wicked because then you look back, you're gonna be just the other guy who, you know, man look her every day. She will walk on the road, carry drive her down the wall. But you do that something that would have worse if she had check you out or whatever, and you know, look back or whatever. And when them don't want you, you know, and when the woman don't want you, you know, it become a thing like, but yeah, why am I going like him no want this? No. I want them next time keep on them fuckery. Yeah.
Like I said, the boy what me did that tell you about a while ago, I want to get the people them business. The people them husband, you know, but me never know at the time. Me never know. So the boy would marry. The boy when me tell you, say me see and me look back upon him, we make eye contact and sit in the catch me. The people them husband raga. But me never know at the time, same day married a rascal. So you don't know, contact, make an eye contact and go back the next day to make sure you see him because your skin catch up fire because you like that one day. And I said,
what you say? You go back the next day to make sure you see him.
All right, and then another day till you end up talk. You understand? And the talk you want to talk, you decide say, oh, you're going to be a one night for me. Me want one night of fun with you, a clot, you know.
Yeah.
One night, me want to fun with you. The one night turning about 7 months until he end up, but jail kind of listen to me. And then get after that. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. The people husband, he come from the one night and never left back. That's what you mean, Jesus. I am wrong.
Boy, you take the people
I was wrong. You understand?
Why? Yeah, it's been a while, man.
I know, you know, it's been too long for me to fill it in and all of the passa and all of what the girl are going with, but she like woman and I look woman and all kind of something there.
Yeah, so the girl a branch out though, the girl a branch out.
I true, you know what, come here or nothing, you make sure I wait too long.
Yeah, man, whatever, man. Yeah. You know, say I can't manage you, you go done me, man. So, no, you know, say I can't manage you, you go done me, so.
Me not an argument with you about. You know your badness.
Then one
You
and
elevate the badness.
so Kavi, me drop a London now. Me say Kavi, me come look for you, me come hold your coffee or whatever it is. You da behave yourself though, right?
Lord of thee,
Well,
Lord
me
of
nah, no, you have to tell me say you behave me
Lord
come
of
me want the
thee.
entire TamFam as witness. Because
You
I'm my
want
sister in
me
a
tell
Kavi.
you lie. I mean, not tell no
No,
lie for
Kavi,
myself, sir.
Kavi,
Yeah,
me
you
man.
plan trip for next year. You know, I told me not talk, you know what? Me I listen yesterday. What, Mr. Good girl, and I plan yesterday. Mr. Any day me come round you, Ragashanti, I shall walk you to a
No,
process.
Kavi, let me tell you anything. You
Me no
can't, you
argument
can't,
with
you
you.
can't force me to do nothing when I don't want to do, you know.
Me
No
not
woman
going to
has
force
ever
you
been
to
able.
do nothing, sir.
Hold
I'm
on,
not going to force you to
hold
do
on. It's
anything,
one
sir.
woman,
I do not grade
listen to
people,
me, it's
sir.
one woman succeeded in that. And I was 14.
I lie. She body up and take you.
No, I not bad up. Me like it.
Well, me want body up. I want body up.
No.
Yeah,
No,
man.
Kavi, you trouble, you know. Me and you can't there, you know.
You feel like me? Oh, them tell us, me want me this, sir. Me want
No,
one and two. The bad
me,
time you trouble me for.
nah, man.
Like
Me and
out
you,
there reaching at this. Me want one and more. Me want experience.
Kavi, me and you not for do nothing, man.
Ragashanti vibes. That's what me want experience. The Ragashanti vibes. Me tell you, your whole aura is attractive. Your
No,
energy is attractive.
Kavi, me and
It's
you
not
not for do
about look.
nothing.
No, yes, me find your body attractive, yes, but your whole
No,
aura is
Kavi,
attractive. It's
Kavi.
just Ragashanti is attractive.
Kavi,
I'm
you and me, I
attracted
say,
to the
man, you
whole
nah listen to me, man.
Ragashanti.
Man,
And I
shut your
want one
ass
and
and listen to me,
move.
man. Bumbuckler.
No,
Listen to me, man.
you
When
don't
me I
want to
say,
give me none.
you and me, I say, man. Me and you not for do nothing, man.
You fi give me one,
Yeah, my
man.
sister, man.
One. Sister, you.
Me and your
Yeah,
big brother, man.
that's why you talk about grow. You never grow me, and me and a sister. Me never grow together, sir. You did not grow me.
Then
You
I,
did no sistering.
then I
Me
know
never
me I
grow
go grow, you
together.
know.
Me want somebody
The-
wood. Peas and
Nah,
pants.
me and you not for do nothing, man.
The wood. And that me want
Nah,
somebody
me and you
wood.
not for do nothing, man. The Kavi, everybody like your energy, you know, Kavi. You're full of
Yeah, me
vibes.
love them energy too, but me want somebody wood.
Yeah, no, you're not. Kavi, I could tell you straight up, auntie.
Me
And
not
I
the thirsty by now over 3
listen,
years, and she
Kavi.
just want. Apart from the shim, a raga one she want.
No, but
Some
Kavi,
good.
you know, say people know your London though.
Yeah, me know me no business.
Well on, and you know, say people know Raga. Kavi, enough man, I look you know.
Me no business with them. One hood.
No, but it's enough man, I look you. Look how much man, I look you, and whatever. And this
Them
and that.
business. Nobody can tell us no man maga man a look me, cause them no know me. Them tell us them know me, but them lying.
No, them say man, I look you can say you put yourself together when you
Me
touch road.
say,
Then say
yeah,
you're
when
clean.
me touch road, me put myself together, yes,
Yeah.
but no man now look me, they lying. Anybody tell us they lying. Me say,
People tell me say no, them say no man, I look hard, man ever look hard.
Raga, me say a lie.
No, and I lie them at them.
Raga, you know what? Me love you. Raga, me love you. No, me the people them telling a lie. Me tell us a lie.
Kevin, me and you not for do nothing, man.
Yeah, but me
just be my
them
sister, man.
telling a lie, Raga.
No, but me just say me and you for you just be me and your big brother, man, and your sister, man, and I mean,
yeah, me want your big brother, me pum. The big brother down there, so they
Kevin, man,
with a big brother when you have down there,
Kevin, when we drop a London, man, you feel link and touch the road, man, and we sit
yes,
down,
and
man.
have coffee and
read them. Yeah,
yes.
And I run all our life to make the people them say Raga and caveat. We have coffee or we having brunch and all these things or whatever. Yeah.
Come on.
But we're not doing anything. We're not.
Just
No, don't say come. 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 We give it a conversation. Don't say come. Say forward. Forward. We don't want even a confusion this one. But come, Raga, come.
Yeah, forward and come. Forward so you can come.
All right, my little sister. Big up yourself, my little sister.
All right, my big brother down there, so. Yeah, man. Down there, so my big brother there. Right down there, so. Come on, we are talk to. Good night, Ragashanti.
Good night, boo-boo.
Yes.
All right,
Come on.
In the area.
I'll break off your backside.
Nah, we're not
I
hurry for
didn't
come.
say
We're not
that. I
hurry for
didn't
come.
say that.
Yeah, make a break off, what? Yeah, what?
No, I didn't. Me never say something.
You know, easy, you know. One coffee, you know, them for no.
Bless up yourself, Raga.
Alright, Bobo, blessings,
People,
man.
have a
Cool.
good night.
Protection, cool.
I gotta behave myself. Take me down, Raga.
Yeah, man, cool. Bad girl, Kavi as usual. You know, the thing set or whatever. When Kavi forward, Kavi bring it, you know. And think Kavi I keep it 100, man. Kavi out the road. Listen to me, everybody who are watch right, you know, if you're not following me yet, follow me right now, please. If you're not following me yet, follow me right now. If you're not follow me, Miss Cherry Washbelly Ragashanti yet, follow me right now. All I know who are watch, if you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Even if you're not in the live and you watch the live and whatever. Follow me, no, you can still follow me. Just go there and follow me, all right? So all I want to know who watch if you not follow me yet, follow me right now. Also, all I want to put on a device, you're going to see an orange heart beside my name. Just tap that, and TikTok will make you do a thing named a heart me, right? So just tap the orange heart beside my name, and the TikTok will make you do a thing named a heart me. And everybody can do one heart me for somebody in a 24-hour span. So you can only do it one time, really, for 24 hours. So, yeah, big up everybody who must see I do it. Malik, Bomba, Malik, Wagwan. Malika Foundation, you know, people. Malika Foundation, just Malik, I say, I saw him name or whatever. Foundation, TamFam, that, you know, and thing, yeah. And just know, say, we say Tambourine family. And the abbreviated term for that is TamFam, right? And when we say somebody out there, she refer to fear thing as TamFam now, and many of you always make me know. But I know, say, Raga say TamFam a long time, right? And the way IP law works, once you are already established in the public domain with a degree of prominence, and it has been sustained, then it's an automatic trademark. So, may I always say, enough data for everybody. Enough data for everybody. I remember me telling you, creativity and imagination. The good thing about creativity and imagination, they're infinite. They're limitless. So enough data for everybody. You understand? So, me no think about litigation and you know, I'm not really like that. I am a lawyer. I understand litigation, but I don't think like that, you know. So if the powers be, and me and I buck up, me I'm gonna say, listen to me, man. You can't be TamFam and me the TamFam. Me and my TamFam, you are your TamFam. What's your name? Tamara Hall, right? I like her too. I like her too, you know. So, someone on the right, me, I said, Raga, you know, she use TamFam, send her a cease and desist, Stewart. You know, really stay. So, but remember, doing in this country, if you have something like that, protect it, because people will thief it from you. And then them will come tell you, say you can't use it because you weren't the first to go and do what you're supposed to do. So, if you have something like that, don't be mistaken with what I'm saying. This is America. It's a litigious society. Right? From the white people, them come over here, and them attack to the native people, them, and them claim, say, the law. And the white people, them say, well, I'm never take out a legal claim on this part of the land. And the native people, them say, you must be a damn fool. Nobody can own the land. Real thing happening, you know. Nobody can own the land. We've been living here for thousands of years, and none of us think say we own the land. So I don't know who you come say you own the land. And then when them start say them own the land, cause me I use a thing named the law. So come off from a land. And then the native people them say, no, me not come off of the land, cause you don't own the land. And we're there before you. And I said, but the law say we own the land. And the rest is history. And kill them out. Done. So if you have your thing, make sure say you protect your thing. Don't follow me. Me good. You understand? Me just not follow up certain things and whatever, you know? But we're good over here. We balance up, you know, we think set and thing. So again, I just want to big up the ANC and big up Munchie for hold it for the ANC, them a crisscross party singularly. She was there alone. and a whole host of SDC there them. And somebody had proposed to go over there and pop her ass and thing, but we said no, we're gonna just ease her up and give her a blight. So Munchie should be thankful. So the whole SDC gang will never bum rush you and sitting, all right? But it's all good. Because you rep for your girls, then you rep for the ANC like a G. Don't it, Munchie? Proper thing. DJ Chris Cross, big up yourself. Your party did sell off. Your party slap on my local brother. Proper thing, don't. Respect and honor. Jamaica, we don't forget to know, right? We don't 9-day one that thing with this Melissa thing and whatever, seeing? Just know say love and honor and see me and, we just want all the best for particularly the people them over there in the West. Yeah, Westmoreland, Sainty, Manchester too, and Trelawney, get brush up to, But St. James and Hanover large upon yourself too, we know what things set, all right? Yeah, we just want to say, boy, condolences to the family of the late, great Jimmy Cliff who transitioned, Jimmy Cliff, right? That man is a legend in a multidimensional way, right? The man they make, him the first man, really, who brought international, well, it's not him, but just the star of the movie, that brought international acclaim to Jamaica through a movie, right? Centered around, the movie The Harder They Come. And of course, he sung the song. But at the same time, he was like just this amazing performer also. Musician, a performer, and thing. And a lot of people don't talk about this much, but Jimmy Cliff was one of the best dancers, to ever grace the stage as an entertainer. Jimmy Cliff could have danced, old school dance, I talk about. But bad, when Jimmy Cliff danced and him the film scatting them, I'm sure, whatever, I crowd turn over, man, and things, so big up your boss, one of the great ones, You lived a good life, my G, right? Fullness and things, and we are better for it, right? Jimmy Cliff lived a life that made us better for it, and for that we're thankful. For that we're grateful. What good Jimmy Cliff? Sleep in power. Enough thanks for what you do for I and I. The whole of Jamaica and the world. And Brazil. That man love Brazil. All right. Big up yourself, Jimmy Cliff. Until. All right, people, I'm not going to really stay along, all right? So, we don't have to do the whole light today. We can do more right tomorrow, yeah? All right. Until the chat full. Yes, I. Hello.
Me don't know if me forgive the one little corporate mix-up.
Send on, carpet mix-up. I like it. It sounds good already.
All right, so I do property management. So we have vendors that we work with.
Yeah.
So I'm going to give her a name. Ashley. Her name's Ashley, right?
Ashley?
So, yeah,
No.
call her Ashley.
Yeah, call her Ashley.
Yeah.
Call her Munchie.
All right, I call her Munchie then.
Yes, Munchie. Mm-hmm.
So she was out with her daughter having lunch.
Mm-hmm.
So the vendor was she a mess with, call her and say, yo, me dey over your place now. If you not come now, me I go left.
Mm-hmm.
Munchie live a yard with her man,
Yes.
So the vendor was she a mess with. She left the daughter at the restaurant and tell the daughter, say, me left my purse at home, me I go back home, go grab my purse, me soon come back.
That a Munchie tell her daughter that?
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
So she left the daughter at the restaurant, gone home and gone get her sort out. So same time, the man was she live a yard with, come home, the man was she start her out, go through the back door, Munchie now run out the door, half naked, the ice cream.
No, hold on. So she carried the man when she start to go fear her yard?
Yes. Yes.
The munchi a kuno and left our daughter at the restaurant and
Left
go
our
take man
daughter at
and
the
carry man up
restaurant.
your yard and
The
whatever.
daughter now see our past. The mother now come back. The daughter end up now call the best friend. Call the Munchi best friend fi come pick her up. So Munchi best friend go pick up the daughter at the restaurant, pay for the daughter food. By the time Munchi best friend reach home at the yard and the Munchi man reach home same time and say to Munchi best friend, you see one man just go through the back door, but two Munchi best friend now never know the pre-mens and officer Munchi best friend go say, yes, Mrs. such and such go through the back door just now. Munchi now run out of the house half
Well,
naked.
the best friend should have munchi back. Me not like that. The best friend should have munchi back. But so who run out half naked?
Munchi run out
Munchi run
half
out half
naked.
naked
Yes.
for what?
And start to pretend like she a mad out now. She a mad. She don't know what go on. And then call. So the boyfriend now call him for be a character. Munchi get be a character. And then at the mad house for 1 week. So when me see Munchi pop up at work now, Mr. Munchi.
No, well on. A lot of people won't understand what the beer character is and the admission into our mental health facility. Just tell them what it is. Yeah.
All right. So she pretend as if she was crazy. So they call the people in fear, then bring her go to the loony bin because she knows that she gonna get catch. So she pretend as if she don't know what they want. So then come and then be a character. She dey in there for 1 week.
No,
So
but when she tell her man about the man where did that start her out?
she tell him man say because a vendor, he's a plumber. She tell him man say I come for fix whatever in the house when broken. But the man buy the excuse.
But why? So if him come to fix, why the man would have buy the excuse? Say the man, but the man run out of the house and run gone.
No, the man never run out of the house. The man go through the back door because him know say our man they come, so him go through the back door.
Oh, so I never run then.
No, him go through the back door. So when me see Munchi pop up at work, now me say to her, say, oh, come in and see your friend when Munchi. She say, oh, you know, I was in the hospital because my apartment had mold in it and stuff. No more never in a no apartment. She no want to tell me say she won't get baker acted because and
the most she convinced her man said she did a go Lulu.
Yes, so she run outside.
And
no
the man
pop
just called
on.
her. She run outside like she a mad down and whatever.
Right.
That the time at the body shit, at the plumber body shit.
Yes.
No,
yes.
at the plumber, they really fix her. I give
They
her the
fix
pipe.
our business.
Yeah, I give her the pipe, you know. Yeah.
But and then what do you know? Them have an event Orlando. Me not go talk about what type of event.
Yeah.
But we always have these type of events.
Yeah.
So Munchi and Fiar Manayard they in the hotel room, but Munchi share one room with one other girl, one named Chin.
Yeah.
So Chin the downstairs now and call and say, can I come upstairs now? Your man gone, we can come upstairs now. Munchi say, yes, you can come up now. When time Chin go upstairs, Munchi and her man lie down on the bed, naked as the day them born.
So what Chin did, Chin never did have one different room.
No, because with these type of events, you share room.
Right. Oh.
Because it's a company event, so you share room.
Right. So Chin did just want to make sure that the course is clear and
The
then
course
tell us.
clear.
So
Right.
they set up Chin down.
Right. So when Chin go up now, open the door. Because remember, say Munchi tell Chin say if he come up, you know. So when Chin
Munchi is a little rich, you know, man.
Yes.
Yeah, go on,
yes.
yeah. So
Munchi and her man lie down on the bed naked as the day them born.
naked as the day them born.
Because they went want do a little
Threesome with Chin.
yes with Chin. So Chin
Jesus.
freak out now because Chin is young. So Chin freak out and ball out and run go back downstairs.
When is the ball out? Wait. When is the ball out? What
Chin ball out and run back downstairs now and go tell my other coworker now what they go on up there. So how comes Munchi tell her if he come up say the course clear and the course don't clear.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah, and then what? So when the co-worker said, what happened after that?
Then one time my coworker tell Munchi best friend say, oh my God, why would Munchi do that?
Yeah.
But why would Munchi do that knowing that Chin not do them the type of something there, but it look like a something what Munchi always do.
Oh, Munchie always arrange the trees, them are you mean? I spring it on people, though.
Yeah, right,
Munchie's
right.
a little wretch, you know, man. Make Munchie bad, so.
It's
Why
it's
Munchie bad, so?
it's crazy. Before I got into the corporate world, I never knew it was this messy until now. It's a lot of stories.
What? Don't be fooled by the so-called professionalism in the
It's a
corporate world.
lot of
You want
stories.
mix up and ray. There's a mix up there. In
Even
the corporate world.
even our regional, the vice president trick the regional, fuck her off and tell her, say, I'm gonna give her a promotion. She end up don't get no promotion.
You know, that's the worst, man. So she dash out for promotion and not get it done.
And then she end up lose the work.
But and then she can't say nothing no for go get it back either, you know. She can't say nothing no because
It's crazy. Even Munchie best friend married 2 times, and our husband in the industry, and she go fuck somebody else what in the industry. The
wait,
husband have to-
but say sort out.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no,
Sort
man, that's
out.
okay. Yeah.
Sorry, go sort out somebody else what in
Yeah.
the industry. The husband end up find out, divorce her, and he was so embarrassed he have to leave town.
Wait, this is Munchie friend husband.
Munchie best friend husband.
So Munchie best friend,
Munchie-
best
Munchie-
friend did abon her husband.
Right. With
Oh.
somebody else in the industry that the husband know.
Oh God, then what
Yes.
she got? Yeah.
It's messy. I never know the corporate world was so messy. It's very messy.
Yeah, Munchie need Jesus, you know.
It's
Munchie
very
need Jesus,
very
you know.
messy.
No man,
And
the corporate world, I them think they go in the corporate world for a long time, man.
it's
See?
very messy. Even in the vacant apartments, they be going
A regular but you look like you have a barrage, a mix up, man.
yes. Even this leasing agent that we had hired, our boyfriend go over the because we have a sister property. Our boyfriend go over the sister property, go look for her, and she coming out of the unit sweat, flushed,
Yeah.
because in the vacant unit with the maintenance man a sort out, and our boyfriend come to her.
peace.
It's crazy, Raga. It's
Because
crazy.
again, you're in real estate, so you show the
Yes.
places and whatever. So when
Yes,
them a
it's
show a place,
crazy.
so you can imagine now when she a leave and say, I'm going to show a place to one potential client and whatever, and just dash out your boyfriend, don't
Yep.
it? And thing and
It's
come out
crazy.
well sweat up and thing like that. And boy, but we need to pray for Munchie, though, you know. Okay? Munchie need prayers.
Munchie,
need
all I
prayers.
try bribe man. Oh, I'm gonna tell your wife that me and you messing around if you don't give me 25,000. The man tell her prove it. Prove it.
See, she said the man have sense or whatever. Yeah. Anyway, big up
crazy.
yourself, yeah, with your one bag of mix up. You think you're easy. All right, protection
Guess up
here.
yourself, yeah, Raga.
Yeah, man, respect.
All
that,
right.
man. Cool. Boy, we need to pray for Munchie, you know. We really need to pray. Pray for me. I let go, you know, I don't want to feel, you know, about, movements I forgot make, you know. Have a look at boy, you know. We hear what the queen I say, you know.
Nah, no close, Raga.
I true say you're sending application to the ANC.
No, my love.
You never
Oh.
send an application to them. So you want to join the ANC.
Say what?
Me don't know. Me just
That's
ask you.
That is
Talking
the
iPhone, talking
only
iPhone.
crew.
Eh?
That is the only crew me not join, Raga. Rather walk on them.
Yeah, I don't know the
What's
ANC.
that?
Yeah, you rather walk on them.
Rather walk on them.
Yeah.
And if me a step over them, me then go hold on pa my foot and make me drop. I walk on them.
When you say them not step over them, because them go one hand on your foot and make you drop. I push up them foot to trip, you know.
Course.
Them are wicked.
So none that, Raga.
They not
Me say, Raga,
Yeah.
what me go say first? Raga, I never know say when you score through you talk about this pretty damn thing.
Yeah.
So me a score And me buck up on a live. And me just talk this and never know say from you go up on somebody live, them know say you are watch them.
If you touch it, it carry you in. But if you go there, if you just scroll down and you watch them, you're not in the live, you know.
But them not know say you watch them.
No. When you scroll down on TikTok, right?
Yeah.
And you see a live, you can stay outside of the live and watch the entire live, you know. But if you touch down at the bottom, you go in at the live and it say it. You will say Ragashanti entered the live. So sometimes all people accidentally touch the live and then just touch it back, we can come back right out. So people, you know? Yeah.
Well, me never know what me do, but me I watch one live. It's a all man live. And like 3 youth in the box. I monitor the live and like them I send him go Western Union for go collect money. But you know them the on the live protect him, you understand?
Yeah.
And him a walk out the Western Union and them a talk. Me only hear one of them say, one girl named Alien too cute to watch live, make we black her. And then just go bing.
Your friend, you one girl named Alien too cute coming out the live and I watch her black her nastiness, though. When you say you jump, though, yeah, man.
Me just see me gone off of them live.
Them fling your bush, man.
Oh, them know say me I watch them live.
No, you see when you scroll, Alien.
My God, me I
you see when you scroll. No, man, you see when you scroll, you always look on the bottom, and the subtle thing is you have to make sure say you're on the phone. Them, you know, them make these little nuance thing, as you know, if a 2 finger or 3, a different thing. So you see when you scroll, you have to always do this, because you see, anyway, you go do this, and then you go so.
Yeah.
You're going in the live. But you see from here do so, you're not going in the live. So you see from here go so, it'll go up and go up. And you see when you stop, you can stay there and watch the entire live and nobody don't know so you watch it. So you find, you find enough people watch enough live, but them don't go in at the live. But you see the minute you touch so down at the bottom, you're gone in, and then you see a little notification come up and say, Alien too cute, Ragashanti just entered the live. Right.
My God, then
so you have to always make sure say your finger them come so. A slide, you know?
Yes. Yeah, in the middle.
Wait,
Raga, me say Wednesday night
what you say about the finger in the middle? What?
Just touch it in the middle, so.
Sure.
Don't go down to the bottom. Just right. Listen. In the middle, ticklish, you know.
Sure. Yeah. You must know. You must know.
You see the pinty, the finger here, what them pine. Hey, little girl, come out of my face, you know. You see that finger there? When it touching at the middle, oh my God, you don't want no penis in there.
Is that good? Is that good?
Yeah, man, the finger will make you come.
Well, 6.5 dozen of the other. Because some woman say, yo, with a good finger in them have like the wickedest pop off. And then you have another set of women say, them absolutely hate it. Don't even put your finger anywhere near this. So them not like it. Them just say, send on the thing right away. They don't know about to put no finger there.
Oh, man, me love the finger thing, Raga, but any you ever
if
met.
The man know what I do.
You are my brother. You are my brother.
Right.
You see, any other man ever met me come, I don't want no penis. Me just want come in a Raga.
That's it?
Yeah.
Then Okay, so if a man a do that to you, then him have to make sure say you not pop off then, man. Cause he not
Yeah,
gonna
he
get
must
nothing.
be. No, the vibe done there, so me just want nice up myself. That's all. True.
Nah, but oh, if you do that though, because women usually want more, you know, after them pop off, them usually want
So
pop off again.
it's just me will rest. Me will rest. Come and rest. But from me come, me no just stop. Me no want nothing more.
You don't want nothing more. You
Me
know,
satisfied. My belly full.
you think that is a consequence of your relationship with Pink Floyd?
Yeah.
You see,
That's why I love it so much, because Pink Floyd from me come, Pink Floyd just rolling corner.
rolling corner, whatever. You see, it sounds to me like you're transferring that now to when you and if somebody or whatever for you come, hold your corner like Pink Floyd.
Yeah. I better you just come first, and then you can go and pingy panga with me and make me come after.
Yeah.
But if you make me come first, everything over.
But you don't know, but the thing is that what you are described, so you stay as some most man stay and what woman complain about. Because when the man then come, I eat that them just done and them no want to do nothing more and whatever, and then the woman them not come in. Yeah, and women complain about that all the time.
Yeah, so it better you come first, yeah, man, and then you're going to take time. Even if you can't stand up after, play piano and make me come after.
Play piano?
Me no mind.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Finger,
play
yeah.
Piano with your finger,
Yeah.
Piano.
You know, an Amadeus or a Mozart, you know, third concerto.
Me no know people say them have sexy half an hour, 1 hour. Them know half an hour long.
Yes, tell them you're alien. When you're sex, half an hour enough sex that.
Man, I'm not joking.
Tell them I'm glad you say.
Half an hour is very long.
Them beat me all the while when we talk about it and thing and Raga you pop down and ray and this and that. And me I tell them say half an hour when me talk about sex, you know, when you're in there winding up, you know, half an hour long, 20 minutes and long.
Long.
Listen to me.
And I'm not joking thing.
1 minute of sex, enough sex that, you know, enough winding up and no 1 minute alone, enough sex that, you know, 1 minute alone. Much less half an hour.
Half an hour? No, man. No, ladies. Me no want nobody from me or behind me or beside me half an hour. You're crazy.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Me always say 15 minutes, but 15 minutes fall play up in I kiss up, love up, and then something, and then we get in the mood, and then penis going, and then something there. You know, 10-15 minutes. A good sex that.
Exactly.
Good.
Exactly.
Sex, good sex. I mean, I talk no joking thing. I'm not a serious thing me I talk about.
Marcia good, I say she have to average about 2 hours every time. Either, you know, look less or look more she claim and thing, but she say she in 2 hours. She can keep it. Marcia good as and thing, yeah. And that she say. So she's a 2 hour woman, you know.
You're right, you know, Raga. She must know what she want for 2 hours.
She need
me. Bother.
Yeah, a butter the good.
So now that me I say, and Raga, you see which night when you and Fast Car have a good time outside Wednesday night?
Yeah.
Me did feel so sick, you know, I come down with the flu, you know. And me I tell her Thursday, me in the bed all day. And yesterday me really come out of the bed and me I tell her say, Thursday night when me I watch and Chris Cross and the other 2 guys
Yeah.
Thursday. Happy belated birthday, Chris Cross. Me I tell us a Raga, me sleep and wake. And the last week me wake up when the live I go in And them something. Let me enjoy the program, the mute. What a way you can dance when you dance Gully God song.
No,
Anita.
yeah.
Anita.
No,
I got
man, 13 down, 14
Yes.
Sophia, 16 carry over Nova Scotia.
Yes.
No, man, I might move it up, man. I might too
Go
move it
on
in
with
there.
yourself, you know.
Yes,
You
man,
say,
I'm a too
Raga,
move it
you
in there.
can't move, man.
I'm a too move
Me
it
a
in
tell
there,
you,
man. I'm a too move out of them, man. I love them too. And cross no to say I'm a too move it them, you know. So
yeah,
you see how
man,
it
me
go, man.
enjoy the live.
Yeah, that was a good live.
And
It
me
was
a
a
tell
good
you,
live.
say, Raga, me go on my bed and me dream, say, you see the youth, cuss me dead mother and me dead son. Me dream say me and him and one girl and the girl a suck off in wood, you know. And me dead a watching a Raga. And then me take the wood and me start suck it off, you know. And me I tell her say nice away and I no ask if the girl now pull it out of my mouth, you know. Me nah take it out of my mouth, you know. And me just jump out of my sleep and me I say look like I fly up in my head. Cause oh me go dream that.
Yeah, the flu does that sometimes.
That no in a Raga me I tell her say nice. Me never do tree so me I stand it nice and I dream it.
Say what now? What? That did I go on? No, sir. No, that flu that is terrible, man. That flu that no, man.
I need soap and
No,
blender time.
I want terrible piece of flu that, you know. And look who you go pick to. The boy who cuss you about your dead mother and your dead
Why
son.
cuss me out? Yeah. And
No,
1 year
sir.
2 bagana 1 year me and him no talk. And I him me go dream see.
Girl, it wouldn't I am out of me to want to take it out. Whoa.
Take it out.
Fly out and make him out and fly right up in me mouth.
I need soap and blender time.
I never let go the food and the girl I try pull it out of my mouth and me
Well, I shall
suck
try take it
on
out of your mouth and you just suck on it and hold it
and me
down.
suck on it like a lollipop and nah let it go. And me just fly out of my dream. Even TamFam, you don't know when you not suck on pan one lollipop and your job one gone in ladies I go
Yeah, man, they all know.
so
They
me
all know.
ugly
All of the
because
women them know. Yeah.
she a pull it in and me tighten it in and me not bite it, but you know me have this suck on
This-
pan it in and now let go the wood out of my mouth, you know.
Elaine, when I see look like say you have your mouth tight, you know, you have tight mouth, don't you? Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have
Yeah.
tight mouth, yeah, man. You have good tight mouth, you know.
Oh.
Yes. So it's all she a
But I
grab.
really want.
So all she a grab
But
it
I
out of your
really-
mouth, you just hold on pan it and now let it go down.
Yeah.
With that
And
pee.
me just suck it in like a vacuum.
Yeah. Wow, incredible.
Tell her that
Incredible.
it's a real experience, but a dream. I don't want to experience it in a real life, but me not see the man yet. That's what me say. I want married.
Oh, you are married now.
Mm.
No, but
Married
a
fi do
lot
them
of married
something
people,
then.
you have married people who do them something, you know. Common thing too, you know.
Yeah, but me want to know some my husband me a do it too.
Right. Makes sense.
Yeah. And my husband me do anything for my Aussie. Yeah.
See it there.
Now make my bedroom boring with my Aussie.
See it there. Tell them, yeah, say Naki be that she need to hear them something. I don't know why I'm to she from my dear or whatever. So she need to hear Naki be your ear. Nakita, your ear. I hope your ear. Oh.
Nakita married?
Yeah, man, she married, man.
Oh, Raga, oh, when people are talk about somebody and like the other say, them are going to say Vernica, you always say Samunchi.
So what? If somebody say Munchi?
Like somebody would say, me I say one name, me I say, Vernica. You say, no, Samunchi.
Yeah. Now me happy. Me I say Munchi, and me say Tracy, you know, double like Tracy. One of them, man. No, but that's something with a long time from me. I was just show me always call a TamFam
You
name.
know what you always pick Pamunchi.
Yes, man. But here's the thing, you know. I'm tell sometimes people get upset, you know, because say people curse me out all the while and say only certain people name you call when you do the show. You know, so them beat me about that all the while. Right? But here's the thing
Because
with
you know who can take joke.
Chiyo. Me know who understand me. Me know who not gonna take nothing me say them gonna take it serious in the show and whatever. Me know that. I'm always grateful. So them people I'm a joke with, cause them understand me I do. Right? I have joke with people and you know and them cool with it. And then at some point me go joke a certain way and them vex with me and them something there whatever. And it happened a few times. I'm not saying, so I can't bother because if at this point you gotta listen to me every day and then me have to go explain myself to you, then me no bother want to explain. So I just not joke. Me just not joke with certain people who me no know like that, cause me no know if you're gonna get upset or whatever. Who me joke with, they don't pay me one fat of mine with my foolishness.
Them not even look upon you.
Not even look upon me. I ain't joke. But Munchi I listen me about me no know, probably like 15 years or so or whatever this and that. Munchi I listen me Munchi a long time TamFam. All of the ANC them, you know. All of the ANC and SDC them and thing. Them I listen me long time, you know, long time. The whole of them. You understand? So them
And I like some of your listeners, like one somebody would say the name Jennifer Goodas, and one next person said them are Marva Goodas, Jennifer Goodas Bex. Like a she alone for name Jennifer Goodas and them something there.
They remember,
you alone can't have the name is.
They remember when the whole drama they come out and Miss Lady come out and I say, what you do with the name too cute?
Exactly. And a she alone cute. Me no man
Yeah.
Me no ugly and me no pretty, but me no bad looking. Me no hard fi look pan. Me can look pan too.
Yeah. Man, Jamaica get this term from, but you know, and when them say it calm, you know, them can. Yeah, him kind of hard for look pan though, you know. Yeah, she hard for look pan.
One of me little head lick me eye them lick like for shiny me nose lick me mouth lick everywhere pan.
Go on.
Belly liquor, me navel liquor, me breast them liquor.
Yeah, go
me
on.
Vagina liquor, me leg liquor. Later. Me not have liquor body and big foot. The whole of me liquor.
Yeah, liquor and uku. Yeah, uku. How do them know about? Yeah, uku.
Something tight till it a squeeze me in a real life.
Yeah, when you have a baby, you have to be careful.
Me I tell you, oh my God. Raga, one more thing. Them say freedom of speech. But you see, like how some people, them would have come on social media and then diss up the prime minister and diss up his wife and diss up his pitney and diss up everybody, the opposition, and diss up one heap of big people. You understand me? So only good dirty butterfoot people. What no inner them people the class and can't even find a good night dinner. Even this you up to. Why them can't lock them up or something?
freedom of speech. As long as it's not defamatory, them free, people free to express themselves, But them cannot defame the person. They cannot accuse the person of anything. The key thing here is damage, So a lot of time people, as far as the law is concerned, there has to be damage. That's why the people that were able to sue, they have to prove that, it says somebody say, you pop down and stay bad like, and whatever, and this and that, and whatever, and you do so and so and so. The way the law work, if that person is a nobody, them not nothing to forget, so them could have sue look more because the court is going to say, but what is the damage? So you find some people who are prominent now and whatever, and them have a reputation that has value. If you say certain things about them now and whatever, you would have encroached on that value or you would have reduced that value. And I saw them go to the court now to seek relief in terms of the devaluation of their brand and they want you to compensate them for what they have lost, based on your allegations about them or what you say about them, etc. But outside of that, it's people are allowed to say, I'm allowed to have my opinion. That's why when you do them something there, as far as the law goes, you must say, it is my opinion if you're being formal. But if you say, I think, you say, I think. So you're not saying something definitive. You're not making a claim to say this thing is certain. So sometimes when you're done, people, you have to say, I think in a public and thing, and you're protected by the law. But the thing with Bro God and him wife and thing, and I just want to say a couple of things on it, all right? Once you're in a certain position, particularly politics in Jamaica, it's naive of you to think that nobody now gonna beat you, right? Okay, so people are gonna have all kind of thing, they might have all kind of conspiracy thing, but once you're prominent, to this day, people are walking a chat about Jay-Z and Beyonce join Illuminati and sacrifice people forget this and that. It just comes with the territory. It comes with the territory.
Yeah.
Somebody should go up on social media and she goes talk about how pretty she is, right? And sometimes I see friends do something, where somebody will go up on social media and say, look how I'm pretty, remember the pretty this and that, and them use what you call superlatives. They use them really go hard about how them pretty. And Ilian, based on the standards of pretty, right? Them not really pretty. But them do that because them know say them friend, them are going kind of gas them up and thing like that. My thing for something like that in terms of free speech is like, for you, for in a certain field or for go up on social media and think say, people are going to agree with you. That's just being stupid, right? So the more people praise you or celebrate you or whatever, and the more you're going to have a next set of people who just now going to see the reason why them are celebrate you. And them are going to express themselves, particularly now.
Yeah.
So when, in my opinion, when, I'm not careful because I know where they come from. So when somebody go up on social media now and go say, such and such, politician, go suck your mother and way, this and that and way. It's social media. You're a politician and whatever, you understand? Now, the problem is where the shaky thing come now. Jamaicans can really go hard with that language. So, while somebody would say, F you, bitch, and, such and such, and Barack Obama is this, Donald Trump is this, Jamaicans will say something like, Gabro Kenneth under your dead mama big stinking sitting under the wall. I go make your girl go. So it sounds so harsh that you're like, no, sir, we can't make this thing I go on now. That boy have to get checked and whatever, this and that.
Yeah.
But very often when that goes on, it is still covered under free speech. I say something at my dear. And, you know, me not go into the details, but the truth is, somebody make a call and send police go page somebody who did chat up him thing on the social media. And me know what the call make. So, but my thing is like, dog, you gotta make call this if I go for what? Is Jamaica you there? Them have the hottest things to say to people down in Jamaica. Right? Look how long me night and thing and them style me up so when me I do me a be man and this and that. Me I get beat in the fire. I laugh it off. Me laugh it off. What you gonna do? It's Jamaica you there and you're prominent. Me look on it as a plus. Cause if 7 billion people in the world and you are gonna focus on me for say something bad about me, then that must mean say something not going for me.
True.
You know much other people out there who you know see?
True.
You know see, you know talk about them and whatever, but you come talk about me. Then there's something not going for me. So you see when
important.
and not only that, when you feel the need for get even so deep, the deeper you get with it, you know, and the more angry you get and the nastier you get the thing and whatever, it's just confirmation. Say me are the blood clot man. May I get to you? You understand? Right?
Yes.
So I might think that, you understand? So me not really, but market way, you know, if me and you work at the same place in one company, you're not allowed to come talk about, yo, you want this news, you want this news wrong, I'm going to sue you. Because I'm not supposed to be working in a hostile environment like that. You don't have a right to do that, right? You understand what I say? I'm not gonna lie to you. I kind of understand when your loved one get attacked, you know? Me understand that because me will blow off certain things. Me can't see somebody say something about my pitney them and me I move to them, you know? Like, I have to teach my pitney them, say you have to go ignore this. But if it go too far and whatever, me start getting in a zone, they're like, yo, me have to protect my youth them, you know? So, me kind of understand that. But the last thing me I say now, the thing with Juliet own is, because in an election we're going, you know, so me not really do the politics thing again publicly and them so. So, in my opinion, them go too far with the things them where them say about Marky G and his wife. Yeah, it went too far. Lisa Anna said politics is a blood sport, me get it. So people are gonna say bad things about you, but it went too far. That them really say some nasty things, you know, about the couple, you know. It was really bad. But when the tour, when she had like a picnic, them say some, them just and them know them other. And it was disappointing to me that people on the other side of the aisle, in whatever, them never step up and say, no, don't go so far. And I always use this example when Barack Obama, when John McCain was you know, the candidate for the presidency for the Republican Party, and he was running against Barack Obama. He was doing a town hall, and this woman come on, and I said, Barack Obama, you know, this and that, you know, the Muslim, and we need to flee. And John McCain grabbed the mic from her and said, no, don't say that. This man is a wonderful family man. He loves his family, care about his family, and thing. And whatever, we are political adversaries and we're going to go hard and whatever, but we're not going so far. And I just respected John McCain for that. I did not see, there's a lot of things, I don't know if people are noticing, you know, but there's a lot of things people are copy of Jamaica where I go on here, you know. I'm not going to something, you know, but there's a lot of things, you know. A copy of Jamaica where I go on yes right now, you know. Me just observe it quietly. But me I say, me never see any other, you know, that type of maturity there, where somebody will step up and be like, listen, we are labor right, we're going to war the PNP right through, but don't go too far. Because there was always this rule like, don't attack the people, them children and them spouse. There was an unspoken rule there. And for the most part, the JLP and the PNP adhere to it. Now, people from the other side of the JLP, they will say things like, listen, yeah, but people say things about the Prime Minister's wife too. And this is my response. The Prime Minister's wife is an elected official. It's unprecedented. We've never had a situation like that. But not only she's an elected member of parliament, she's the Speaker of the House.
Yes.
So the Prime Minister's wife is part of the government. So you can't, this whole thing when we hear them down about, no, them not for say nothing about the man wife. It's damn foolishness. Right? She is in the government. So people are going to say things about her just like how people say anything. And them talk about it's sexist. It would be sexist. It is sexist if them don't treat her the same way them treat the other politician them because she's a woman and because she's the Prime Minister. That would be sexist. Right? So she is in the public eye. She's part of the government. Right? Between the Prime Minister and his wife, now, they get somewhere in the region of $600 million a year from the nation's purse. As peer, something like that, right? So in 2 years, them have $1.2 billion. She is a public official. So people, so this whole thing, and I'm not supposed to say nothing because she's Prime Minister. It makes no sense. You understand? So I said, some of them look chicanery and them type of look thing they're going and people, who them for sue? And them for sue, kind of this and that with the Prime Minister. And I'm like, that is nonsense. You know what I'm saying? And here's the thing too. Juliet Holness is no walkover. Juliet Holness can't take care of herself. She's just a very accomplished, credentialed, intelligent, bright, strong woman. She can't take care of herself. She can't take care of herself. And me not lie, me I put it out there. So when we have a situation now where we ended up with the leader of the country having to publicly in parliament come to the defense of his wife, which he approved of, her ascendancy as Speaker of the House. That is unprecedented. It is unusual. We are in strange territory here, but it's delicate too, you know. It's delicate too, you know, because the Speaker of the House is from the governing party, but the Speaker of the House is constitutionally required to be neutral, right, and to entertain the utterances and the input from members from both sides of the aisle in the country's interest.
Yeah.
This is for the country. This is for the country, right? So we have a situation now where when things go down and whatever this and that, we are the leader of the country, which you understand, he might defend his wife, but you know how that redounds to the benefit of the country now and things like, you know what I say? So you know there's some unusual stuff that's happening there and things like that. And but right in the midst, I always hear people, them for sue, them not for say this and whatever and this and that and whatever. And I'm like, no, yeah, freedom of speech, yeah. You know, you need to understand that. And from you going at certain things, people are going to say it. From you dep on TikTok or also show, people are going to say all kind of things about Ragashanti. Hey, Elaine, you know, say they have one little girl I walk around and I say, me her father. I'm running from it. No mind that one girl walk over tell people that me all go to watch and I say, see that you're dirty man, you meet your daughter. The time poor me, you know. Remember say me I get beaten at the same time, you know. Them I say, yo, me iron balloon, me can't get a bus with picnic, you know, them time, you know. And then them I beat me and say me I work this dirty pooper. All right. What next time them did have it say me did a dugu Porsche. You never hear about that?
No, God no.
What? Them beat me. One next time, them say, they want big sitting it out there and people and say, oh, me hear what you do to your wife at Jamaica. They tell me I'm married at Jamaica, you know. Me hear what you do to your wife at Jamaica, yeah. You win lotto and run away with white woman. That's why you come out for the show. Yeah, Alien, me laugh off of them. Once you're in the public eye, yeah, people are going to, you cannot, particularly them day and age with phone and social media, everybody have like a platform for say certain things and whatever. You're naive if you think say you go in that space and people now. And the more you do well, and the more you're going to have somebody who are going to look fame and honor for you to come go hard for done you and say the worst
I
of the
bring
worst.
you down.
Yeah, yeah. In the Wild West, cowboy days, if you were known as the fastest gun, everybody want to kill you,
True, because even the dirty girl or the dirty man, what did that takes in a last month every minute? Nyam fuck raga, and you ignore it, go, you ignore it, come, you did black little wretch yet?
I think say no. So, I think me did tell somebody eventually for black it because them come every day and them just put some music to me, neither here nor there to me and whatever, Cause somebody I worry about and then no, so not me not really bother with that, because even people like you, Alien, you think about whether or not Raga eat it,
No, man.
You never think about
no
that?
gone so far.
You never think about whether or
No,
not?
no, Raga. You see me, you have some people, let me tell you, I don't think smutty, you know why?
Right.
Because them say, who feels it, knows it. Me see, me and man, we stand up and talk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times till we becomes good friend and me start lean pan his shoulder and and attack and then people start run with it alien and him a fuck now, and nothing no go so
No go so right.
no go so me just have that person that's my friend. We stand up at the gate and we hug up. You know that hug up there?
Scene.
And chat and them something there. And people are run with it, say, and them are grind. So them say, who feels it, knows it. So me not
Reggae.
the person. We see you and somebody attack.
I'm gonna
regular,
make assumption. No, but what I meant by it though was that this person come here as you see them, they come Nyam front Raga every day, Nyam front Raga. So me I say, join the line. You know much people out there think say Raga do it.
Nah, do that. All right.
No, Alien, I don't have a problem with them thinking what they want to think. That's my point.
Understand. Me understand, man. The person, if somebody tell me, say, say that man then yam front and them something there, me not even go believe till him stand. Yam
Exactly.
my front and me catch him and yam smarty front. God no Raga.
Yeah, because you go through it and yes, sir. No, for real.
Nice.
For real.
So nice.
For real,
especially
man,
when I lie, in yourself, so I lie them I tell pan you. It's not nice. God knows.
them are wicked.
And then say, who feels it, knows it, So just big up all of the TamFam and juice media, my mind run pan you which night, me lay down and me I say, boy, only juice media alone can hold off your show for you, the night, Raga, when no sound come up,
Right.
And juice media turn up the thing, the night, they can't come out of my head, brother. Trust me.
I'm gonna make new juice media watch a show one night, man.
Yeah, man. Chumpy, big up yourself, you and your family.
Yeah.
Cooker, big up yourself, Queen Nash. A long time, yeah. She good, Raga?
Yeah, man, she good, man. She good.
And Jaybird, Marcia good as one, have no punchline.
Yeah. Sticky pan her.
All of the time. All of the time.
Oh, and TamFam, Alien.
Spicy. Me not think she'll get light till next year, she say, so. She not that, miss you know.
Oh, God. At and Spicy, big up yourself. We love you, see me here. We love you, see me.
Even she have teeth like a Wi-Fi and like me no know if she have solar.
Yeah, if she have solar. Well, me no really know.
The solar lights.
Yeah, me know, man. Let me see how that
She
goes.
can't teeth like a Wi-Fi and go and listen.
Right,
Even if the
right, right.
connection hard. Mr. Raga, well on me not keep up the time. When 9 come on and the lady will come on after 9 current it go on. So the current come back when the girl from England did attack.
Yeah.
And 9 put on a piece of cooking yesterday.
You did see him do the cooking? Him do it? Did he do it live?
Him not tell you.
Him
No,
tell
you
me, but
him
me
a
never.
tell.
Oh, you
Yes,
mean
so
when
me
I
I say,
tell? Okay.
what a cooking him put on yesterday.
You see it.
And
You see
number
it.
one, Raga. Raga, you know what say? In a real life, 9 can't cook.
He can't cook.
He can't cook, Raga. Because you see, if you do the stew chicken, you can't put no cabbage in a no stew chicken because that's a go soft and poto.
No, but him no. I think when I say him just steam it down in the gravy when it almost cook, you know.
That I go poto.
No,
Me
not
no
no.
best.
Hold on.
Raga.
Me I no
Alright,
cook.
go on,
But me I
sir.
say if you put it at the end, cause you know cabbage and callaloo and popcorn, them thing that them steam quick o'clock, them thing that see. So you hear what him say? I remember, you know, the stew chicken I talk about, you know. Him stew down the chicken in that gravy, and then towards the end, you know, you put back the seasoning in it, right? And you know what him said? That means that the chicken almost cooking, you know. You know, so them I put back the seasoning
Like
in
in ketchup
there.
color.
Right, and then no, we're not talking about ketchup color. We're talking about when the thing is stewed down now, right? Right. So wait, him and then him say no. After him put in the seasoning, him say about 5 minutes after him put in the cabbage. So him basically put in the cabbage when it done cook. Which mean the cabbage steam quick. So I don't think it a potter and like walla out in a gravy.
Back where I'm do it, Raga.
What you mean back where? No,
No.
Alien, what I'm hearing from you think that there is one way for cook something.
No.
But what I'm telling you, people creative and thing. Me see people put ackee in a stew chicken. You not gonna do that, but me see people do it, and it tastes good. What I'm saying, you have to understand, you know, Alien. Cooking, it's a creative process, you know. You can try things and do things differently, you know. But many of us in Jamaica, we just know as a stew chicken for do, as a so and so for do, as so and so. Alien, how are you there? A beer experimenting and thing people are going with online now, you know, whatever. Yeah, just come and whole heap of different something thing people are doing there with cooking now. Holy people have all kind of channel now. When them are trying and do all kind of things and then mix it up. And then sometimes we see them and do it and we say, Jesus Christ, that not gonna look good. And when it's done, you say, oh my God,
Brother,
that look good.
If me style, if you call me just come the TamFam and them a go run out for me and then go grab me and beat me up tonight.
No, but you can't. They can't move to me. But me say you just come with people who are experimenting and do different things with cooking. No, Alien, it's a thing. It's a thing now. A lot of people are doing it now. But you see, you come from that school where this is how you cook this. This is how you cook this. This is how you cook this.
Yes.
No, Alien, people are mix up a thing. Me seriously, you know, me see somebody put ackee in a stew chicken, you know, and it tastes so good. Yeah, and the ackee never mash out and thing based on when them put in.
Tin mackerel and ackee. Me never eat that yet.
Moderators, see one little freak come in and chat there. Fling them up to me.
Sorry.
Yeah. See, man.
Tin mackerel and ackee.
Tin mackerel and ackee. All right. You don't know say some. Me can't tell you say you have people that listen right yes or no, and I say tin mackerel and ackee. I'm gonna eat that. But then other people are saying, yeah, whatever. But that is what are going right now. People are experimenting and mix up things and whatever. See, Tasha say ackee and corned beef. You eat ackee and bully beef together?
Me never taste it and me that try taste somebody. Raga certain things when me never do, me now waste my time and do it. If somebody do it like all the corned beef and the ackee, me that try taste it from somebody, but me now.
Mark, you know, there was some things, if somebody I try it, me just now go do it, right? Cause double act Tracy, they cut up one rock cake and put it in a stew beef. Me not eat that. You can't put rock cake in a stew beef, right? I couldn't moon or something like that. So some people go too far with them something there, and it's just not my thing. You understand?
That's why my sister say everybody cook different. You understand?
Yo, when you go Asia, right? Me go China, me go Japan, me go Thailand. A regular thing them for fry one egg and put it on top of your soup, you know. You hear what I say?
Yeah, me see them do it in a cup
A
soup.
regular thing that is a thing for fry egg and gear with your soup, right? Yeah. A common something that over there, but I know something that we grew up with. That coming like nothing over there. All
Mr.
right.
Raga, what day when you're at the airport and you're and the chef and the plate of food, Jesus Christ. Me I say, boy, me couldn't drop this man.
What?
When you talk to the chef and you ask him what kind of something that, and he must say like garlic this and garlic that.
Yeah.
Food, man. When you talk to the chef and at the airport.
Probably was at the airport, but yeah, but no, man, food over Thailand, man, the food tastes nice. You're freak. If you go over there, you're not gonna leave me. You're not gonna leave me.
Always tell my friend them and so say anytime me drop America, me no want no dumpling, me no want no rice, me just want some American silly things. You understand me? Food.
Food.
Something, this, that. Yeah.
Yeah, we just eat some American food.
Yes, food. Just
you know
American
what? Back
things.
see
Me no want no dumpling, me no want no rice, nothing, just American things. Silly things and this. When me drop back at Jamaica, me fi put on 110 pound.
Proper, oh you mean? Round up on them, don't.
I want give me invitation.
Anyway, Ilya, I'm gonna go you know here.
Yeah, man, no problem. Bless up your nice, clean self, Raga.
Go some man, blessings, man. Cool and
from a big up on yourself.
Mad. All right, people remember now this week, as me I telling you at the beginning of the show, say, I'm going to try end the show earlier times this week because my son is here to spend Thanksgiving week with me from Zion, from Florida. He's here. And then my other two kids, they're out for the week also from school. This is Thanksgiving week and they go to charter school. So they're out for the entire week. Them people are over here with them sitting on there. They might charge anywhere from $60 to $100 per day per child. No, per day, per day per child, right? People, I saw this presentation, they were talking about Texas though, but I'll just give you an idea where I'm going. In Texas, they did this study or whatever. Daycare is more expensive than a woman going to college. Daycare, because they had this discussion about why women don't want to have children and anymore as much, and and it was many points being raised, but that was one of them. That so the woman was like, yeah. So what you think if we sit on as woman and we have to say daycare more than going to college? Which option you think more attractive to some way, right? And here in New York, it's crazy. Like, everywhere you go, you see somewhere daycare, whatever, because people that try jumping on the thing. But it's very expensive here. Make anybody from up here tell you, right? So then more than $60 to $100. The pricing, I tell you, from 60 to which part me there, to $100 a day. And then, right, so you me go pay $100 a day. Even the $60 a day. We could just go on the low end. So the $60 a day for the three of them. So that's $180 per day. So for 10 days, that's 1,800. There's an average of 30 days in a month. So that's 3 times the 1,800. We're talking somewhere in the region of 5,400 for the month. Yeah. So Zion come up, him there with me. The other two live with their mother. I tell her, you drop them with me, them stay with me. And when you leave your work, you pick them up with me. Because I don't have them kind of money there, figure whatever, So the point I'm making is, telling look like my business. I'm on daddy duty all of this week with all 3 of my kids and things, see? And Zion stays with me. So I'm going to finish the show like around 9 o'clock tomorrow, and then Wednesday. We're not having one Thursday. Thursday's Thanksgiving. Hopefully we can have a show Friday too, all right? So I'm just gonna know. So if when I leave 9 o'clock tomorrow, somebody who not there tonight, start to, I say, Raga, you leave so early while I'm up for me, and tell him. So he have to leave early, all right? Okay. Blessings, and I appreciate your accommodation and your understanding in that regard. All right, blessings, people, respect and honor, all right? Sooner tomorrow and thing, and I hope Kimberly be here tonight and whatever, because somebody shaggy out sound, so she not really in a night bathing kind of time I get cool. Baby girl J, look for what you say, did I leave? I know you did say I leave. A baby girl J did say she'll leave or somebody else. But could I swear Missy baby girl J say she'll leave early and thing and then still there? Or whenever you, I must say, somebody else. And thing. Anyway, people, I'm Morris and thing. And a baby lips, yeah, I think it was baby lips. You see, I'll steer a mix up. So why are you leaving early tonight, Raga? All right. People, blessings, man, and I'm Morris, all right? That's a baby girl, Jay. They work until 11, don't? Yes, Christina tell you all on for be there. Run me and big up yourself, All you in the box and thing. I'm talk to you tomorrow, all right? Blessings and respect. Yes, and we will do it. We will do kiss mix-up, any mix-up involving a kiss or kissing or whatever. We juggle with that for this week, okay? All right, people, in the Mars, man. Straight blessings and safety and protection sooner.